Hello chat, can you guys hear me? We are officially almost starting. Hey guys, can you guys hear me? Yes? Yes? Straight up means yeah. We're just getting ready. Hello? Yes? Yes? Hello? Yeah, okay. Okay. CAD win. It starts in 10 minutes. We shall be looking around the channels very soon. Let me do everyone at the server, letting them know that it's starting. Okay. I'm good. Let's see if I can hear it. Oh, yeah, we're good. Oh, wait, no, I didn't add everyone. I'm stupid. There we go. Okay. We're back. Alright. Cool. Okay. Let's go around. Watching from your Chelsea. Oh, Diddy in the chat. Okay. Go crazy, I guess. Alright, let's go. Hello. What's going on?
Hello.
Yeah, the stream has
How's it
started now,
going?
but we haven't started the actual event yet, so I'll drop an announcement once the event starts. Let me tell them. Let me tell all the competitors. At Speed Cad competitor. Oh. To competitor. I will announce when the event starts. I think ETA is like ETA 10 minutes.
Yep.
Whatever. Okay. Let's see. What are you cooking up right now? What we got? We got the drivetrain. Okay, this is what they're starting with. So some of the rules are you're allowed to start with a pre-catted drivetrain, and they have decided to use standoffs. So that's kind of insane. Can you tell me what's the thought process behind this strategy here?
We kind of just found it laying around, and we're like, let's just use it.
Oh, this guy said here before Madison, but he's in the competition. That's why he's not here. Because, okay, got it. Let's see, we got over here. Yo, what's good? Hello?
Yeah.
Low key, like a standoff wedge would kind of be like cooking.
Yeah, what we got? We got
Standoff
the drivetrain
wedge?
here. You guys got the field elements as well, ready to put in CAD.
Wait, are we live right now?
Oh yeah, we're live, but we
Yo,
haven't
hello,
started
YouTube.
the event yet.
All right.
Okay, wait, so yeah.
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 What we thinking? Is that the
Um,
So
drive?
I'm thinking like a drivetrain, definitely like a wedge back there.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if we're gonna do poly, because poly it might shatter or break on impact.
Yeah. That's 450 on 3.25, correct? So pretty fast speed.
yeah.
Yeah, it's the safest. It's like the meta drivetrain for early season, like every season. So
Yeah.
and we're still debating between like a snail bot as like in change up,
Yeah.
or like just literally just the hero bot, but like two lines going up.
Yeah.
And we're probably gonna have color sort. It goes onto like a container at the bottom,
Okay.
never to be seen again. So we just
Okay.
hoard the opponent balls, and probably like a little arm, the little that sticks out to like descore.
Oh shoot! Thanks chat for 7K. Let's go. Let's get it. All right. Anyways, what are you guys talking about? What was so close? What was so close to?
What's up?
Hello. What's good?
We're like going for like an all-white theme.
All white theme. That's cool. Oh, you guys even got the white gears. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. As soon as I move windows around, like stuff.
And we
becomes
got
really
it's
baggy.
600 RPM, so we're gonna go really fast and lightweight for this one. We're gonna try
Mhm.
to like make something that we can like build in real life. I think that's the main goal.
Yeah.
Oh my PC, bro.
Bro, other person in the event just got a PC today, so he's on a brand new PC. He's gonna cook.
Yeah.
I'm control S-ing right now.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool because me and Connor are like we're in the same room right now.
Oh really?
So,
Oh really?
brother duo, you know.
That's cool. You and Connor? Okay. That's kind of goated. What's up, Trevor? I think he's the guy who made one of the early designs that I showcased. Oh. Okay.
Okay.
He ended the stream.
He's having some problems with his microphone.
Yeah,
Oh.
my headphone
Oh.
weird because my new computer has like a headphone jack for there's one for sound and there's one for mic. So my headphones it's either I hear people and I'm mute or I'm deaf or
Oh.
and I'm so confused.
Yeah. Do you have like any like other headphones you can use or mics?
Nope.
Oh.
Yeah.
Maybe your teammate can just talk for you. I don't know.
Yeah, I guess that.
No, I'm on my phone right now.
Oh, actually,
I can
that's true.
hear, but I need
To
I
stream
need
it,
Titus
yeah.
to stream though. I
Yeah.
need Titus to
Yeah.
stream it.
I see.
Alright.
Hello, what's going on? Oh wow, I see your cat. That's nice. I like it. What's up with the over under like type drive? Hello?
I just help clean the bar a little faster, and I'm also trying to add like a park right here.
Yeah, to park. Okay. That's cool. What drive RPM is this? Is this 600?
This is 600.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is 600.
That's nice. Oh, I can hear you. Are you on the stream right now?
600.
Oh, I can hear you. Are you on the stream right now?
Oh, I'm watching. Oh, yeah, I'm watching
Oh,
the stream.
okay.
Hold on.
All good. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
What's going on?
Hello.
Yeah. What's up?
This is our drivetrain.
Yeah. You guys are prepared. I see. Nice.
Oh, we're so prepared.
You guys are so prepared. What's
Yeah,
the
we're-
dimensions?
We're very prepared. We have these 5.5s off to the side just in case.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the dimensions of the drive? I see it's like what about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 27 by what 30?
Honestly, I have no clue.
27 by 30.
Yeah. Yes, then the ball can fit right between the motors perfectly if you want to do that. But I don't
Oh
think it-
yeah, that would work.
Mhm. All right. What's going on? What's going on, team?
Hi, Luke.
Hello. What's going on? Yo. Show me the what's the design? Is this the
we
CAD?
like
We're adding this to
We're-
Microsoft Paint. I hope you
This is
guys
Team
don't.
Five.
yeah. That's
Yeah.
totally fine, right? That works.
Is it appropriate?
I mean, you probably lose a lot of points, but I mean, you can submit this. We can.
I
run
mean,
this.
I give him a 10 to be honest.
Oh,
with
this
you.
is it. This is done. This is our.
Thanks for the dono, Ethano. Sorry, I cannot pronounce that. I'm just gonna say Ethan.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, I'm
I
judging,
give it
but
11 out of 10.
Yo, wait, who is judging in here? Is everyone judging in here?
No,
Brian is.
Wait,
Brian's judging
what's
us.
the
Brian's
team
judging
looking
us.
like? Oh, it's the three of you guys.
Yeah.
So
I
it's
see, I
just
see.
Eric competing for real.
I see,
Me and
I see.
Aaron are actually judges. So.
Oh, okay.
I think it's going pretty well so far.
Mm-hmm. Oh wow, what's up, LeBron James?
Hello.
Hello. What
What's
we got?
up, Luke?
What we got? We got. What is the back thing? What's the? Oh, it's all those. All the high. Are these Heishin shafts for
Oh,
stand-ups?
yeah. We got 22. We got 18.
Oh,
The
okay. He's
long goal,
prepared?
and then the yeah. I'm prepared.
Mm-hmm.
I'm about to lock in.
Yeah, he's locked in. Wait, why didn't you just take the actual game elements and why did you like specifically?
I couldn't find them.
You couldn't find them? They're on the website. They released all the game elements.
Well, that's just too much work to find.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah. All right. This guy's just playing the game. Who's he playing? Hello. Oh shoot.
That's
This
your
is the CAD?
Yeah, that's
Ah,
definitely the CAD.
Okay. All right, what we got? We got the drivetrain. Everyone is prepared this time. Last time, like half the teams didn't have a drive. This time, everyone has a drive.
Damn. I'm fixing update. I'm just updating all the stuff because I'm just ripping a drive from what our current robot is.
Yeah.
So
It's starting in
I
2
just had to
minutes.
update the versions for that.
Yeah.
You were in Science Div, weren't you?
Yeah, I was in Science Div.
Nice. We were too. I'm surprised I didn't run into you.
No, it's big competition. So many.
Yeah. That's fair. We ended up not running into Ace at all either.
Oh wow! Thanks, Ethan, from 63264A. Another donation. Thank you very much. Let's go ahead to Team 5 and check out what's going on. We're about to start.
Yes.
All right.
No, the free roller goes underneath. Like once you drop it down. I don't know if it will work because I don't have the field, nor am I testing it. But
I'm just thinking like, where do they go? Because like they'll just be
like
on top
in
of
the
your
intake. I don't know. What do you
Are we
mean?
just not
where do they go?
bracing it across? They just go through.
Wait, is this VC just like unks who retired?
Where's
Except for Merrick, yes.
It's starting in like a couple seconds.
I'm retired.
Came to my pit and took parts during Worlds.
Oh yeah, this is Team Retired Unk.
Real.
I'm not retired.
I added
by the
everyone.
way.
It's going. All right, let's go. Hello, it's starting, Mr. Boots. What we got? Hello.
Say less.
It started. Kevin, what's up, Kevin?
Hi.
Kevin is from 2029C, from over under. What you been up to, Kevin?
Yes.
Yes. I heard you were doing like Formula SAE. Are you still doing that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it fun?
Well, it's fun. We'll see if I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing that though, but we'll see.
FSA is pretty time intensive, so I don't entirely blame you.
That's my biggest issue with it. It's very slow. Yeah.
Shoot. So I see you already going right onto the.
He's
the
going
wedge.
on the wedges.
Yeah. What do you think the wedge is for? Do you think you?
It's a very simple answer, which is this game is going to be so defensive.
Really? Oh, I mean, yeah. I guess. Yeah. With the
field is so open, it makes no sense not to run wedges.
Yeah, I agree.
So
that is pretty smart.
The tricky part is obviously fitting it in sizing. But,
yeah. I mean, are you gonna use the sprocket roller bands for intake? Is that I'm pretty. I mean, I know.
For side rollers?
Yeah, yeah. Well, no, just for like for the whole like conveyors, you're gonna use like banded rollers.
Yeah. So for the conveyor, I'm actually planning on doing banded rollers. The game objects are so light that I actually think you'll lose a lot of the benefits that Flex will give you.
Right.
Which is that you don't really need that much compression to actually properly grab these objects.
Yeah.
So just running banded rollers, I think, would kind of be the play.
I agree. Hello. What are we working on? We started. So what's up? What's going on?
We started. So we're gonna try and go for it. If you look at the latest like robot and robot ratings, we're gonna go and try for like one of those piston things.
A piston?
The entire, like the entire intake goes up and down.
Oh, okay, interesting.
Yeah.
Wow. What's the time limit for this? QR is 2 hours. So from 7:30 p.m. CST, which is 2 minutes ago, we are running all the way until 9:30, which is in 88 minutes. No, sorry, not 80. 118 minutes. Yeah. Hello, Finn. What are we working on? Oh shoot, you're on the stream, bro. Okay. Hello, Jason. You guys aren't even working. They're just slacking off. What's up? How's it going?
Hello.
Hello. What are we working on? Oh wow, you guys have like an X drive or it's like a holomonic drive? I don't know what's the name for it.
No, it's a revolver. We're doing revolver mech.
A revolver mech? Really? Okay.
Yeah, it's the new meta, trust.
The new meta? Okay. I like to see something interesting, something unique, of course.
Yeah.
What up, Connor and Carter?
What's up?
What's up? What are you guys working on? What's the first thing that on the to-do list? This
I
2
think
hours?
mainly structure is what we're gonna focus on first. You know, get the basics down.
Yeah. I see.
Front
What kind of
towers.
intake are you guys planning on doing? Like the whole thing. What are you thinking about?
So we were like thinking of doing something like
dual intake. So basically, you can have horizontal rollers and also
you can have horizontal rollers and like also like vertical rollers. I don't know. I muted there, but yeah.
Okay. I see. Nice.
So we're just like doing structural stuff.
I feel like a lot of these robots are going to be pretty similar this time, because there's not many designs yet early on, and I don't know, people are going to be taking risks. But I did hear this other team is going to do this interesting revolver design. Anyways, we're going to go back to team 1. Hello, LeBron James.
Hello again.
From 8110W. What are you working on? What's the first part of the build?
Well, right now I'm just getting the first stage done. I got to get the side rollers done first, and then I'll move from there.
Nice. So that you're doing side rollers. I'm assuming you're doing a banded sprocket intake as well.
No, I'm gonna try a much different design. It's gonna be similar to Tower Takeover, and then it'll move the entire thing up with the 4-bar, and then it'll be able to score kind of at the front. Is my hope. But we'll see. We'll see if it works.
I like that. One thing is a lot of teams are thinking about like that you need to have like a piston hood to do like a redirect system or to like score on both of the goal heights, but you don't need one. If you want, you can run 5.5s all the way up, like 2 5.5s, and you can run them different directions for the ball to go out at a different height. You can have 2 exits.
Step file.
Hey chat. Oh, okay, you guys are starting. What's up?
Well, we've always had a CAD. What do you mean?
We
In
are-
MS Paint.
You guys always had a CAD. Oh, you guys are starting with. What do you have a drivetrain?
Oh, we do.
No, we do.
James
but
needs
James
to launch
is, like
Fusion.
taking forever.
Yeah, James logged onto the wrong
James,
account.
you're holding everything up. You gotta log in. It's all James' fault.
Oh shit. Okay, chat. Time to watch the 292958 Stratford Robotics Fusion Guide.
Okay.
Holy glaze.
And guys, subscribe to Luke for real.
Yeah, we just hit 7,000. That's kind of crazy. Thanks, guys. Hello. Oh wow, nice. I see you guys have already.
Okay, wait. Max, let me clean the poly because it's a little what's the word?
Polly, you guys can only use 12 pieces.
That's gonna be enough.
Trust. You guys got
This
this.
game doesn't really use as much poly as
That
like
is true.
people think.
Yeah.
Like you're not gonna need 90 pieces of poly like you did it over under, or not over under high stakes.
Yeah.
What the hell? Okay, wait. Oh, I understand.
What up, Finn and Jerry? What we got? Oh shoot, you guys are already starting with the triangle brace. Nice. I like the diagonal triangle brace.
Luke, I can't hear you.
Oh. Okay.
Wait, can you talk in the chat?
No, I cannot talk in the chat, unfortunately. I'll just say my opinion on this. This looks nice. It looks like it kind of looks like last year's robot somehow, because my King Luke, hello. What's the CAD programs use? What's the cost? Most of the CAD programs are actually like free to students if you use a student. Like if you just like have like a I know Inventor is free. I think most of them are actually all free to students. You can sign up with your like student ID and then it's totally free.
It can't stretch out at all.
Hello, what's going on?
Okay.
Oh wow, we have so much poly already. Okay. How many pieces is that?
I think it's like 10 so far. We have like 4 guides and then the 2 side plates,
10
which
pieces
are legal now.
Are you just banking on the fact that the rule is getting overturned?
Dude, I'm so sad about that.
Is that all you're banking on? What if it doesn't get overturned? Are we just completely screwed?
Well, then we just won't use it. But like, I'm just enjoying it right now.
It's clean. It looks good. Yeah.
But yeah.
I don't know. Should I have made this event an 1 hour event again? Because we made it 2 hours this time, just because a lot of people are saying they don't have enough time to finish CADing. I don't know. Is 2 hours still a speed CAD? What do you guys think, chat? What do we think? I personally use Inventor. I don't know. Both is looking pretty good. Hello, what's up, Boots? Oh wow, what do we got here? He's already.
Yeah, you guys got here at a pretty good time actually.
Yeah.
So I'll show you one of the neat things that I'm cooking up. So one thing that I believe in is you don't actually need to score multiple balls at the same time.
Yeah.
And so the way this is designed is that it has a traditional top roller intake system with a 4-ball hopper.
Is this a flat ball?
And it's able.
Okay.
Yeah, this robot it's incredibly short.
Are you hoping?
And it's
on,
actually
like,
capable.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's cool. Are you hoping on like maybe a teammate parking on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll turn this into basically a gigantic ramp and just let someone drive on to me.
Yeah, and that would honestly be like the fastest way to park. Is, I mean, people have said it's not that hard to park in this game, but I still think under pressure, like with like 5 or 4 seconds left, you're not going to be able to hit that park 100% of the time. But
It'll make a difference for sure.
Yeah, if you're driving onto someone, that's definitely for 30 points. You definitely want to stick with a.
Yeah, the 30-point swing is just it's so ridiculous. And the other neat thing that a lot of people will hint realize very soon is that match loading is kind of useless in this game.
Yeah.
There are already so many game elements on the field that the win condition required just doesn't need that many game objects.
Mm-hmm.
So, in my opinion, needing to do anything in regards to match loading is just unnecessary.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, we'll see what happens.
And yes, chat, parking is protected, so that means that any like defense or that on like if you're touching the bar and or like the robot like via if the opponent robot's touching the bar and then you touch them, that's like a major violation. So like previous seasons. But yeah, let's see what we're working on over here. Team 6. Hello, Team 6.
Where?
How do I even make a support with that tower when I have nothing to put it on?
This right here?
I'm cooked. Yeah.
You can use like the U channel. You can use the U channel. One long U channel.
Oh, you're right. You're
yeah.
right. You're right.
Yeah.
You're cooking. You're cheating. You're helping us.
Okay, my bad. No more help. Hello, Team 7. What's going on? Okay.
Yo. Okay. So. I'm trying to make a like really short and fast robot that still has good capacity, kind of.
Yeah.
So I think that'll be kind of meta for this game.
Mm-hmm.
But
short
one thing
and fast. Wait, how are you? Wait, so how short is this? Because like short enough where someone can park onto it, or like
just like so this is like 27 holes on the outside and 25 on the inside, so it's pretty short.
Mm-hmm.
But what I want to do
like
is
you mean like width and length wise?
Yeah, width and length 25, 25, and the outside channel's 27.
Yeah. Got it.
My old robot was super weight saved, but I kind of want to, but it like wasn't as strong, so I'm probably gonna like brace this robot a little bit. Like I have a 3-wide back here.
Yeah, I see.
I'm gonna probably stick. So I have an idea. So have you seen any Slapshot, like Vex IQ Slapshot stuff?
Oh wait, where they like hit it from the bottom and like it like goes.
Yeah, I
under?
want to put it.
Yeah.
I feel like that'd almost be faster. Is just like shove a counter roller into like here.
Yeah, and then you just hit these balls out.
Yeah, you just counter roll them out, and then you can still have a vertical intake if you do that.
Oh wait.
So you
wait. That just made me think about it. Like, why don't you just use like you just use 4-inch flex wheels like teams did in Change Up, and then you can just like spin in the other direction, and then they would just like shoot those balls out.
Yeah.
Or you can actually just intake straight into your intake. I don't know. It's not really big of a difference. If you have a
But
fast
yeah,
intake.
just like fast intake. I kind of feel like horizontal intakes just have a little bit more like range, unlike the vertical ones.
Oh
If
yeah,
that makes sense.
yeah, definitely. But if you like
Um,
line it up and like you get the vertical intake into the match load pipe, if you just and then you use intake, I
Mhm.
feel like it just grabs all the balls.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna make something similar to the one of the CADs that you did a video on.
Mhm.
I like that design. It's like you can kind of
Yeah.
see what I'm. Kind of hard to design without plastic. I might take these off.
Yeah.
So
How many
that's-
plastic pieces have you used so far?
I think I have 6 already.
Really? Yeah. It like looks
Yeah.
like you don't have many at all. It looks like you only have 4, but where's the other 2?
For my like park, I'll probably make these wider, but
Oh
this
yeah.
is just so you can kind of get yourself on the park.
Yeah. Why don't you think is it? I mean, you can use 1x1s for that too, right?
Yeah, I probably could. I
You
might
face
make
them.
these.
Yeah,
Like,
you face them so then like it doesn't hit the motor.
yeah, I'm thinking I might cat a piece of plastic to hold this up in a minute instead of
Right.
just using standoffs.
What's up, Titus and Trevor? This is Team 14. What's going on?
What's up, Luke?
What we got here? Okay, I like what's going on. Just still working on the chassis.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I'm working on the pistons right now, but you can't see it because Fusion, like, it's not like live teamwork. It's stupid. So.
Yeah. I remember last time when we ran this, I think some teams were able to work together on the CAD, which is kind of crazy because, like, I know a lot of teams are just like having one person kind of do the CADing, and then other people like kind of just like kind of direct and just give advice.
All right. That's cool. Yeah. Why can't I get this joint to work on this?
What's going on?
Hello.
It's Team 25, Connor and Carter.
You might have made a very amateur mistake
Yeah, what
rushing to
happened?
get this started.
What happened?
My eyes are apparently not good enough to see that something's not symmetrical.
Oh, what thing? What wasn't symmetrical?
Like half the truck.
Oh.
So we're deleting half of it, and we're gonna mirror what the good side is.
Yeah.
And
I mean, that's good that at least the time limit's a lot longer now. So, because if it was last time, you guys only have 45 minutes left. We guys have an hour and 45 left still.
yeah.
Yep. Hello, this is Team 20. What's going on?
Hello.
Hello. You're using Onshape, CADing online.
Yeah,
That's interesting.
I'm cutting on Onshape, so it's easier for teamwork and stuff, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
You can, like, see it in real time.
Do you have a teammate?
Yeah, he's joining soon.
Oh, he's here already. He just joined.
Oh, he's here. Oh.
He's currently deafened. But yeah. Nice. Hello, this is Team 19, Sam. What's going on? Oh, wow. Your fusion is very lag. I don't know what's going on right now. I can't see it. I can't see your stream.
Oh, sorry.
It's like glitched. Sorry, chat.
Oh, shoot.
I won't stay there. Hello, chat. Team 17. What's going on?
Can you see the stream?
Yeah, I can see the stream. Oh, why is fusion glitching? Oh, that's fine. This is fine.
Oh,
okay, it works now.
I'm gonna have 2 separate intakes. So this one's for the match load, and I'm gonna create another intake just for field elements because these balls are really small, and I can intake like 2 or 3 at a time. And this mechanism right here, over here, will line them up in a single file where I can like score them later. So pretty good.
Yeah. So this is gonna be, you're gonna have one that's gonna be what, like a horizontal intake, and then one that's vertical.
Yeah, horizontal intakes right here. It's angled, and then I'm gonna have the other intake, probably a band roller over here.
Interesting. Okay. That's nice. I like that. Team 3, Evil Mr. Water Games. What are you working on?
I'm working on intake right now. I did a bit of pre-CADing with the base.
Yeah. Oh, interesting base.
Totally not the brick.
The brick. So what's the design process behind such a heavy piece of metal?
Super great intelligence from last year's game that I'm keeping because it's really funny.
Yeah. Okay.
And then I'm doing intake. I'm doing intake tech. I thought of recently
Mm-hmm.
after CADing a whole two bots for this game.
Okay. It's team 2. Boots again. Hello.
What's up?
I like the progression. What we got here?
Yeah, so we got the first bandit stage set up.
Yeah.
So this is running very old school turning point era. And then I'm developing the internal towers right now, which are, as you can see, a lot narrower to incorporate just a super small flex wheel stage for the top.
Yeah. Are you gonna be able to
And that'll just be
Are you gonna be able to grab balls out of the match loading tubes? Because I don't think. I mean, without a vertical intake, is it easy?
The current plan for grabbing out of the match loading tubes, I'm not sure how many people have seen the thing in VexCAD where someone literally is just ramming a horizontal standoff into the match loader to pull a ball out. Just based on that video alone, I actually think that's pretty reasonable for the once in the occasion where you actually need to match load. But outside of that, no, there's no real plan to use just the intake to match load.
Yeah. Okay. What about the first starting the first starting balls? I don't know if you've covered that already. How do you plan on taking those out again?
The starting balls, as in
the ones that start.
The ones in
the ones.
Attain?
Yeah, the ones that start in there.
Oh yeah. The ones that start in the zones themselves are your color, I'm pretty sure. And for that, the plan is to deploy a horizontal standoff almost.
Yeah.
Just right up front.
Yeah.
And that will be handling the match loading sequence of just going back and forth.
Yeah, okay. So just like a passive match. Okay.
Yep. Yeah, so for match loading it's going to be purely passive, and then the goal is to have super wide fielding for generic match play.
Yeah. Nice.
Yep.
I wonder what the judges are doing. Hello, what are you guys doing? What's going on?
I am updating the rubric right now.
Okay, cool.
We will get back on with that.
All right, team 5.
Like add an inner C channel, like an inner
wow.
C channel.
What's
now.
up, team 5? Wait, did you tell me not to join?
Yeah, I see what
That's
you're
okay.
saying, I see what
We
you're
are the okay, Luke. Please, we are having a little bit of skill issues.
Well, it looks good. You guys are doing fine. Looks like it's good.
Bro,
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm getting kind of annoyed at Merrick right now.
Yo, bro, like
Adam, you should be able to see if you're a mod because you're a mod. Hello, what's going on?
Hello.
This is team 6.
Okay, wait, Luke. I have a question because I've seen people do it with 5.5s. Is it Vex legal to like drill a high strength like hole into it to attach a high strength shaft?
No, but this is what you can do. So you can have a low strength shaft come out, and then you can use a, you can convert it into a high strength by using a, high strength shaft like the insert the metal like the gray one, and then you can put a high strength shaft spacer on it, and then you can put a high strength shaft to convert it.
Yeah. No, that makes sense.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that does. Okay, wait, that does make a lot of sense actually. Wait, I should do that.
Yeah. Let me show you chat what we're. Let me show chat what we're talking about. Let me just draw it out on stream. But yeah, you can use those couple things.
Yeah, that took me a second to figure out what you meant, but yeah, that actually makes a lot of sense.
Okay, let me show you guys. Why is my pin tool not pulling along? But basically, you can do is you have the low strength shaft here. You put the square insert, the square steel insert over it, and then you put the circular high strength shaft spacer over it, and then now you can put the high strength shaft into it, and then that would make the adapter for that. Okay, cool. All right, next team.
Yo.
Back to team 7. Hello, what's going on?
What's up? I'm just kind of figuring out my bracket spacing right now.
Yeah. I just had to ban this Ace Imposter in the chat again. It's crazy.
Ace.
Yeah, what's going on? This sprockets. So, are you gonna do like a hooded system like that one cat that we saw?
Yeah, I want to do something like that, and I'm gonna add some D-score stuff. I think. Though I feel like making D-score will be weird because they're probably gonna change the field. There's no way they'll let the field stay as it is right now.
Well, like what part of the field?
The goals, like it's so easy to D-score.
Yeah.
Like I think you're gonna want some D-score, a lot of D-score max, just because of how like unbalanced it is.
Yeah. So, do you think how do you think they'll change it?
I just think they'll add something to make it where you can't have like a single piston that shoots every like cube out of the every did out of the thing.
Yeah, I mean, I'm saying like how do you think they will Vex will approach that issue though?
I just think they'll add something like on the end probably. Like,
Yeah.
they'll maybe like bend this up or like add. I don't know.
Bending it up will be hard. The only
Yeah,
I mean,
you'd have to, like-
yeah, because it's already like manufactured. I would only assume they'd give you like an extra part like what we had in over under like with the cap. Yeah.
Nah.
Hello, Quibble Team 8, Quibble Mango Man. What's going on?
Hello, Luke.
Hello.
Hello.
What are you guys working on right now? What's this? Is this an intake?
Yeah, I'm working on the intake, and then
Oh wow!
he's working on
This is a shooter.
the scoring.
Like a.
I'm working on a 360-degree turret.
It's a flywheel. That is so cool. So you guys have a flywheel for this season? You're planning on shooting into the goals?
Oh yeah.
From
From like across the map.
Across the map, shooting into the goals. I just don't know if that's viable, but that is.
It'd be cool.
That would be really cool. That reminds me of that one robot that from Zach from 929U on YouTube. I don't know if you guys seen it. It's like a turret bot as well. Super cool turret bot. Well, yeah. Good luck.
It's probably gonna be better for auto disrupts.
What's the other stream? Oh,
Yeah.
we're on to Team 9. Hello. What's going on? Oh, I can hear myself. Team 10. Hello, Team 10. Where's the stream at? What is this? What is this? Hello, Team 10.
Yo.
Yo, what is this?
I'm still heading home.
Oh, okay. I got it. All right. Take your time, I guess. Hello, Team 12.
Oh, what is this? Oh.
Okay. Team 13. Hello, Team 13.
What's good?
What's up? How are you guys doing?
Pretty good.
Yeah. What's the...
We got like... So pretty much we're gonna have like a double intake. So it's like a normal intake of like 2 flex wheels, but with a poly sheet in the middle, so it's double. And then pretty much have like an upside down L that goes from the base up and then over into the goal, kind of curved a little bit.
Yeah.
And so we should be able to hold like 15 and then have
Wow.
the 2 lines converge into 1.
Yeah. What's interesting is I honestly haven't seen a lot of people decide to use a hoard bot. A lot of people have just been using like pretty standard intakes or even like scoring one at a time.
Yeah.
Bro, they be whole counting the hero bot for real.
I don't know. I think a lot of people are going for a change up is like snail bot design.
Oh.
Yeah. Back to Team 15. Hello, what's going on? Oh wow, I like the progression so far. It looks nice. It's a pretty
Thank
pretty
you.
far already.
Oh shit, there another thing. Okay. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
How's
I'm
the,
doing good.
how are the other teams faring? Are they
Other teams are doing pretty good. I think more unique designs than I expected. I expected a lot of people to all do the same designs, but here, I think that I'm actually seeing a lot of unique designs already, which is super nice because that's what we're pushing for. We're pushing for unique designs early season.
we don't want the almighty meta bot from High Stakes.
It'll probably happen. It'll probably happen within a month at this point. I think we're pushing the. I think
Yeah.
we're gonna push the meta super quick this season.
Honestly, wouldn't be surprised.
Do you hear what's going on outside? What?
On to Team 18. Hello, what's going on? Oh, I think this is the one that they can't speak. They can't hear me. It's all good though. I see they're working hard on this yellow blue themed robot. Still working on the main chassis though. I see. Interesting. Hello, Team 17. This is Wilson. Oh wow. The stream is cooking. Okay.
Yeah, didn't get too
working.
much progress done. Just adding finish the base of the intake, putting some supports.
Yeah. Just like just flickering.
Possibly going for shooting mech.
I see.
I'll disclose the strat once it's done.
Okay, moving to Team 21. Hello. What's going on?
Oh, so like I finished the drive, right? So
Yeah.
I did the 2 intakes like change up. And I'm
Intakes
just
change up.
trying to add like the second stage, right? So like load into the goal.
It's cool. I like that. Team 23, Justin and Caden.
Yo, what's up, man?
What's up?
What's up, Luke? So we're gonna do a snail, and you see we have a 55-watt drive right now, similar to Extra P, their drive, and we're gonna have a horizontal intake. As you see. You wanna talk more, Justin? Yeah.
We're doing a 3-stage snowbot, so each stage will be able to hold a ring, and then we're gonna have a magazine on the front to hold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For scoring on the different tunnels, we're gonna have this pistonized to our 3rd stage, and then we're also gonna have this.
Oh, that's cool. I like this. I like this design. Wait, let me turn your volume up so the chat can hear you.
All right, so we're gonna have our magazine nested above here. We're gonna redirect from in between the stages into our magazine. Once it loads into the magazine, what we'll have is our magazine the floor will be able to drop out piston, kind of like a PTO. It's like the poly on the bottom will slide out, and it'll fall onto the top of the rollers and go back into the intake and score.
I see. That's cool. That's cool. Also, chat for the if you're asking for the CAD files, you may just ask. You can just ask the competitors themselves. I'm pretty sure a lot of them will post the CAD files. I'm pretty sure last year, I think a bunch of the teams posted their CAD files. So, I mean, I'm not making them post the CAD files if they want to. If they don't want to post it, they don't have to. But a lot of them end up posting it. So, yeah. Actually, most likely, most of the CADs will be available since they're streamed anyways. Hello.
What's up?
What's going on?
Carter, what do you want me to do, bro?
We're making side intakes right now, so
Yeah, side
Yeah.
intakes. Okay, interesting.
wait, so yeah. It's kind of jank, but
Do you guys not have the
Everything's
actual
a little
game element? You guys are using a ball.
I sent him it, and then he said it took him too much time to get it. So
Okay. I see.
I don't want to import it.
Yeah. On to Team 26. What's up?
Minor amounts of suffering.
Oh, okay. What's up with the intake ramp? I see you're just using literally just using a 1x1 or cut from a 3 wide.
Yeah, half cut. So I'm working on maybe tweaking it to possibly run some zip ties on the underside of it to actually make the intake ramp. And then from there, I'm going to throw the side intakes on the side of that.
Yeah.
And then I'm not quite sure where to go from there. Probably going to be almost like a high stakes style hood.
I see.
Maybe.
I see. Okay.
Run all the way up to hit the middle goal.
Yeah. Cool.
Kind of. Yeah.
Alright, on to Team 29. What's going on? I see you guys have started on your side intakes as well for your.
Yeah, 343 RPM OP. So it should have like basically instant crossing for the what's it called?
The
What do they
barrier?
call like it's,
The park zone?
yeah, the barrier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see. Cool.
And then we kind of stole Jar's what's it called, poly for the stacked motors because they were running that on their sugar speedway or not the speedway but like their sugar Kalahari that bot.
Hello, Team 16. I see you have a drawing. I mean, I just see the
Oh,
stream
right,
preview.
yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay. What's this? explain
So
this?
we're gonna do like kind of like a change-up design where we have like 4 sets of rollers. So to score on like the taller goal, we just like kind of do like a snail type. And then to score on the middle goals, we just like reverse these bottom rollers. That way we can redirect the block onto the goal.
Mm-hmm. Cool. Also for the chat, if you're asking for what's the best drivetrain, I think something fast. I definitely think something fast because the reason for that is because this year you don't need to carry a lot of weight, and also I don't even though the bots are going to be relatively like heavier than usual because you don't have the capabilities to really cut down that much on weight using poly. I still think that they're going to be relatively light just because you don't need to really hold much, and those game elements are light. Yeah, so 450 3.25, I think. It's and then 600 2.75, 450 or 400 3.25. I think there's another one's like 333 on 4 inch. I don't know, maybe. Wouldn't it be better? It would be better to be able to push them, but as we saw earlier from what is it, Team Two's CAD, they have wedges and they work extremely well. Let's go check that out again. So what's up, Boots? I was just talking to the stream about the wedges. They were asking, wouldn't it be better to have a higher torque to be able to push? What has your experience been with having wedges and stuff? So I'm pretty sure you don't really need to have. Mm-hmm.
The logic of the wedges. There's two different ways to do them. One of them is to utilize them to get under stuff like side skirts. And the other one is to actually just get under drivetrains in general.
Yeah. I mean, there's not really going to be side skirts anymore this season.
Exactly, yeah. Because of the new rule changes that were made in terms of the polycarbonate limit, it's obviously a lot harder.
But you can still totally lock people's drivetrains up with that, though.
Sorry?
You can lock people's drivetrain up with that. Like what Ben said a couple years ago, you can stick the wedges into their drive, into between their gears and the wheel, and you can lock them up, and then you could basically.
That is the second way to use wedges. Yeah, the second way is to purely lock an entire side of their drive when pushing, and that's actually what these wedges are designed for. These are very similar to what I ran in change-up when I was competing in high school.
Yeah.
And the main goal is that you can actually leave these adjustable, so you can adjust the distance.
I mean, you would also want to put like
a
a spacer on the hole next to it, wouldn't you? So it doesn't like bend. Because
So the ideal scenario is you have another method to lock the wedge in. Yeah. And then one neat thing that I'm going to be trying with this is you'll notice that now with the arm in place, the entire profile of the wedge and the arm are almost the same angle.
Yes, to drive straight
So
on.
the end goal will be to actually add little polycarbonate parts into this that still enable the wedge to work, but it would also allow the drive to go up for your alliance partner.
Cool.
And then hopefully that way they can just park on top of me and we get full 30 points.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. I like this design.
Yeah. See how it goes.
Back to Team 1, LeBron. What's going on?
Hello.
Hello.
What's up?
What do we have here? What's the?
So not much is done. I had to redo something. So.
I see. Let's chill.
But I'm switching to an over intake, like band rollers, and then still keeping the same idea.
Yeah.
But I have to change a few things.
I see.
But that's fine.
Yeah. All right, we're joining Team 9 now. Hello, Luca. What's going on?
So I don't know how good my stream is, right?
It's okay. It's
basic robot. It's good. Okay. I mean, basic robot. You have your horizontal intake here. The lengths are all kind of screwed up because I'm messing around. 450 RPM. My idea right now, right, is that you have these 3 rollers on top, right? And I think I'm probably going to connect these 2 and these 2 big ones at the end. And what's going to end up happening is that if you reverse this, you can drop a ball down here. And that's just for hoarding because, like, hoarding might unironically be OP. This one's for top neck, and I'll probably just have a piston that changes the height. Should be pretty simple.
I see. Okay, interesting. Cool.
You have any?
Oh shoot! I just left by accident. Hello. What were you saying? Sorry.
You have any recommendations or?
For what?
Just in general.
I mean, I think you can add like a little, like hoarder section on the bottom. Are you gonna do that?
Yeah, like right here. This is gonna be like a trapdoor kind of mech. So
That's
it's gonna
cool.
reverse and drop a ball down this way.
Yeah, I think I would like that.
Yeah, that's about it.
All right, cool. On team 14. Hello, what's going on? Yep. What's up?
It's good. Do you know where you get the like the field elements as like a CAD so we can like put them in?
All you need to do is search up for the game manual, and it's in the same. It's the documentation release.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, it's in the documentation release.
All right, thank you.
Yep. Interesting. What do they have here? What's up?
Fascinating. Yeah.
Oh. Back to 18. Hello. What's going on? Oh, I forgot these guys can't speak. Interesting. But they're typing though. Let's see what they're typing. Okay. I don't know. I have no context in what they're typing. We're gonna move on. Team 20. Hello, Team 20. What's going on?
Hello. Hi.
Yeah. What's this? Oh.
This is like a robot.
Yeah.
So we're planning to use like a flap or flexible intake right now
Mhm.
that scores onto this using like a hood mech, sort of like a P robot.
Yeah. Is there gonna be a PTO?
Yeah, this is a PTO.
Yes,
what?
I'll explain the PTO real quick.
Okay,
so
sure.
we want to try double park. So
Yeah.
our idea is like we have like a forklift and then we just PTO winch the other team up slightly. That's basically the plan.
I saw other teams building a flat bot, so then where they can just other team can just drive onto it.
Like that, we think that if our teammate does that, then sometimes what if their robot just can't physically get in the zone?
Oh.
And if we make a flat bot, what if it impacts our other performances?
Yeah, right. That's
And,
true.
Yeah.
To answer your question, a human, new to robotics, so I don't know if speed is important this year. Does that mean X Drive is gonna be viable? X Drive is gonna be okay, but personally, I still think like a regular tank drive is better because all your gears are connected, which means that if one wheel comes off the ground, which a lot of times you have wheel slippage in Vex, like running on the fields, accelerating fast. If you accelerate fast, then one of the wheels might come off the ground and you lose traction. If you just have one of those, if you just have one of those wheels being powered, if they're powered separately, then if one wheel comes off the ground, then you lose a lot of that torque and then you accelerate a lot slower. So you want to have all your wheels connected. Hello.
What's that?
What's that piece for? The
angle piece. So the way this system is meant to work is I'm actually using a pretty cool method of powering through high strength axles on this thing.
Yeah.
So the intake motor is actually located all the way down here.
I
And
see.
it transfers power to
That's nice. That's a very
this sprocket.
very low profile design. I like that.
Oh yeah, no, I'm all for low center of gravity. That's kind of always been a thing that I strive for. So putting the intake motor down here lets me power this roller, and then this sprocket will power a secondary stage that'll go right here. The entire system is then mirrored on the other side to actually power the sprocket, which will be the lift arm.
I see.
So this keeps both the intake motor and the lift motor in line and as low as possible to drive.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I hear another team is also working on like a partner park design, but there is actually going to like lift up their alliance partner with a winch. So
That's sick. Okay.
Yeah.
That's giving me some nothing but net vibes. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah. I remember watching.
Cool. Yeah, I'm excited to see how that one does.
On to team 8 now. What's going on? How's your like turret?
It's going pretty good. We got it on the drivetrain, so.
Oh, that
Yeah,
is.
it's able to spin in full 360 degrees and fire pretty much anywhere, and
Yeah.
then intake from the front.
Do you think you'll be able to finish this in time?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Team 19 asked me to join. Let's say hello, Sam. I just saw your message. What's going on?
Oh.
Oh, cool. You have pistons on your.
Yeah.
Main
So
frame.
we're gonna have something leveling out at the top, around right here for the goals, and then we'll like have a voltage control so that we can shoot to the middle for autonomous.
Shoot to the middle for autonomous. What do you mean by that? How would?
So we can already have the control zone at the beginning of driver control. It just sets us up for a better starting position.
Okay, I see.
Yeah. And then so that we can go under the long goals, we have the retractable scoring. And we'll just use pistons for that so that we can use motors on the intakes. And,
Okay. Nice.
yeah. And then we'll probably have some sort of like doinker that goes out horizontally so that we can kind of like just drive by and de-score from the middle.
Yeah. I heard a lot of people saying that you don't like odoms are cooked with the poly limit, but honestly it's not, because you can still use like 1x1 on the odom. We've always used like even C channels on the odom, and it's perfectly fine because you can fit the rotational sensor inside of a C channel, so then that works perfectly. All right, on to team 25. Hello.
Alright. What's up?
Yeah. What's going on?
We're making actuating intakes.
Actuating intake with what, piston?
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. I like the poly. How long does it take you to cat that poly?
Too long.
Too long. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why don't you just use like one by ones? I swear, like it's so much easier to just use 1x1s for everything, or there's just less time consuming.
For this one, it was a little bit easier.
And also like aesthetics, you know.
Yeah, that's fair.
That's a rubric.
That's fair. All right, chat. Where should we go next? I also noticed with a side roller intake, sometimes the ring might, or the ball might just roll away if it's not straight and you bump it. I don't really understand what he's saying. We'll go to team 6. Hello.
I can move them forward.
A possibility.
I've done the thing.
Oh wait,
that
no,
you
I gotta
told
bring
me
this
to do.
drivetrain back before it leaks.
Oh, they want to go to team 24. Okay, hello. Hello, team 24. What we got? Oh, cool. This is interesting. This is like that's very unique.
The revolver.
The revolver? How are you intaking into the revolver?
It's gonna there's gonna be an intake, a side roller that goes to the bottom hole.
Change up
thing, and
intake, like front stage, and it's gonna have like 2 flex wheel stages.
I see.
We're just spin it to the top. Then we're gonna a puncher or something to push the balls out.
Yeah, some pistonized like mech that pushes it.
Yeah. Interesting. Okay. Hello, team 10. You guys finally got your stream. Wait.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh, he's finally speaking now as well. Audio's working.
We
but your
got-
stream's not
so we
working
got 2
anymore.
side rollers.
I can't see your stream. Hold up. Let's try again. Yeah, this might not work. I'm gonna just go to 11. Hello. Well, Loki might be my Wi-Fi. Oh no, it's not. We're good. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
I see. You guys going for a horizontally placed intake design, like the very bottom layer?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think that's gonna do you guys well?
Sorry?
do you think that's gonna be like? Do you guys like? Well, is that gonna be good? Because how are you gonna like de-score out of the match loading stations?
We're hoping to just be able to like ram into them, and the balls just fall out.
Oh, okay. Check the latest VCAD post by 920B. We will go to that very soon. I want to look at one more team though. Let's just go back to Boots. I think he's doing the best right now. I think you're doing the best currently.
Really?
Yeah. Oh wait, I just saw the craziest thing on VCAD. Hold up, let me pull this up. That is actually insane.
I'm intrigued.
If you go to VCAD right now and look at the first post, literally you stick a plate in there and literally every bolt comes out. Do you guys see that?
Oh hey, look.
That's crazy.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, I love this game.
So I maybe you guys incorporate that into the Speed Cad now, since we now know exactly how to de-score everything. You're gonna do that?
Yeah, I mean,
is that illegal?
It's not. There's no possession limit. That's the main thing that I would think would break it. But I guess it's fine.
Yeah, I guess that's fine.
That's wow. That's worse than change-up. Jesus Christ. You couldn't even do that in change-up because they were smart enough to make it actually require force to remove stuff. That's insane.
Bad. That is so bad. Wow. Okay.
That's okay.
How are you planning on incorporating that?
Well, if it's just like a little tongue system,
yeah,
just kind of what that looks like. It's actually like much more difficult on this design because the way that this is designed to work is very similar to Turning Point band rollers. So the ramp itself is actually all rubber bands.
Yeah, of course.
It's all fully compliant. So incorporating a tongue that can like slide in and out of it would be pretty difficult, just because it would have to extend forwards almost like 3 inches, which is really difficult to do with like traditional piston stroke rolling thread. So
okay.
I don't really know how to incorporate that.
I mean, you can still just stick with the original one, but I don't know if anyone's going to incorporate.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah,
that's pretty insane.
Hello, Team 5. Have you guys seen the VCAD post that just got made?
No.
It's it's pretty insane de-scoring capabilities if you guys are able to add that in to the current CAD.
Isn't that just like driving into the thing?
Yeah, you drive into the thing with a tongue.
Is that like tech we need to add, or is that just like we have a drivetrain?
That's just like if you want to add that tech, you can add that tech. Hello, Brian.
All right, I'll work on the small subcomponents.
Have you seen the tongue tech? Okay. The tongue mech?
Yeah. The one in VCAD.
That's pretty wild.
Yo,
wait, which one?
This game is cooked, bro.
From 920B, I think.
Yeah.
Where you literally just stick the tongue mech and every ball comes out.
Oh wait, I think I see it. Hang on, let me watch this.
Yeah, that's insane. That's.
Oh nah, what the hell?
Okay, so new idea.
New idea, yeah.
Wait, you want to hear what we were originally gonna do?
Rebuild.
Rebuild is crazy.
You know what we were originally gonna do?
What do you
I think we pivot. Yeah, I think we pivot.
Okay, so originally our plan was to have a like you see that Omni roller pre-roller.
Yeah.
We were gonna drop it down with a piston and then shove it under the balls, and you outtake like to get the balls in.
Yeah.
And you have 2 motors like split for intake, and then like it just goes in. So. But then, now that we see that, and okay, we're probably gonna do that.
I think it's wrapped.
This game is so cooked.
That's funny. We have our competitors already changing their design mid competition as they just got new information about how the game elements work with each other. So they're gonna be changing their design mid competition. Hello, Turd Gang. What's going on? This is Team 8.
Hello.
All
right, I'm catting the. Hold up. It is. I am catting the.
We could have a ramp go from like
the top of the turret.
here. If you're watching my stream.
Which one?
Global.
Like a mango man.
Oh, okay. We're gonna go to Team 10. Hello, Team 10. What's going on? Oh wow, some good progress. I like it. What are you guys working on right now? What's the part?
I'm gonna add the VCAD D-score thing.
You're gonna add the VCAD D-score thing. I think a lot of competitors are adding that right now to their designs. That's funny. Hello, Team 11. Team 11, what's going on?
-5. Oh, -2.5.
We're at 14. Hello, Titus and Trevor. Did you guys see the VCAD post?
What happened in VCAD?
Look at the D score. Go to VCAD.
Oh, is it the little wedge thing?
Yeah, the tongue that just D scores everything.
It looks really cool, but it looks to get like the flow started, you kind of have to wedge it in at an angle.
Yeah,
so
and then you have to tilt it. You have to tilt it as well.
Yeah, so I think it would be something you would have to do with like a rubber band at least, like something freaky.
Something freaky, yeah. I don't know. I feel like you don't even need it. I feel like if you just have a fast enough change-up intake, you just like push your intake into the mashup, it works the same.
Where'd Trevor go?
The teams have 1 more hour, pretty much. Preston, the chat.
Oh yeah. Okay, Trevor's streaming now.
Okay. Is he streaming? Oh shoot! Let me get a stream.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to find the part library because Trevor couldn't find it.
Okay. Hello, Team 20. We're back here with. What are you guys working on? You guys see the CAD post? I'm asking every team.
Which post? We're too locked in.
Too locked in. Yeah, there was the tongue mech that D-scores every ball at the same time.
Oh, I saw.
Yeah, but I don't think it's gonna be that good because you still need to lift it up, like for it to be at an angle where the balls just roll out. Plus, I feel like you're gonna be able to do the same thing with a good change-up intake, anyways.
Yeah.
We're not running change-up intake. We're just
doing standard.
We're doing the 2-1-4-5 thing, where like that passive thing, and then we're just using that as forklift too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like
counter roller.
Well, not counter roller, because.
Well, sort of. It's...
Kind of. It doesn't really spin.
Yeah.
Team 25. Hello, Connor and Carter. What's going on?
Hello.
finishing
We're making the
up
actuating intakes right now, so you can kind of see that happening.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pivot, actuates, bang.
You can just ask someone in the Robotics server for the VCAD one. I don't think they have a custom link like Robotics does. So Luke,
Oh, what's up, Luke?
Tongue mech CAD.
I have a tongue mech CAD idea. Hear me out. Right?
Yeah.
So the bottom, we got this like silly little ramp thingy, right? And it gets pushed out by a piston, a single piston.
Oh wait,
and so what happens?
That's kind of cool. I like that.
Just get pushed at like a weird angle. You just run into the thingy, and it gets sucked up.
Okay.
And that way, horizontal intake might actually be useful. Same idea as earlier. It gets just rolled up. If I'll connect these two, they run opposite ways. If it's a blue ball, color sorting gets thrown down here. Horde mech. If not, this is like a 4-bar, right? So like changing the actual angle for it's also really easy.
It's a 4-bar?
Well, not like sorta. Like if you were to change the angle of like the actual intake to go for the lower goal, it'd be really easy. If that makes sense.
Yeah, I can understand that. So I don't know. It looks like more of a chain bar. How is it going to be powered?
Oh, it's just 2 pistons back here. So like if the pistons power, this side will like the angle will go up. If they're unpowered, it'll go down. That's just for the tall goal versus the full goal.
Cool.
And then yeah, I think that tongue mech will high key be really useful, especially if you just mount a single piston and just push it out.
Yeah.
That's all.
Hello, Mr. Boots.
What's up?
I see you're very far with the CAD already. Are you almost done?
Yeah. I mean, ramp stage is mostly there. is still missing.
Yeah, so I guess like if you had if the time limit was still an hour, you still would probably you'd be the only one done.
Yeah, I mean it would be able to intake and load into the local, I guess, but that's about it.
Yeah.
How far along is everyone else?
Not super full along. I mean they're starting on their intakes and stuff.
They're starting on their intakes?
Well, yeah, like they're like in the middle of it, I guess.
Damn. Okay. Yeah, like my intake stage is it's done.
Yeah,
So.
can you run us through how the whole mechanism works again?
Yeah, sure. So the front system is all running traditional banded roller with a anti-slip mesh around it. The main reason for that is I've found from personal experience that it's best at funneling stuff from a super wide intake range to a much narrower intake range.
Of course.
And then it's basically going straight up. The ramp itself will not be polycarbonate. It's actually just going to be running traditional rubber bands for the intake ramp. And then the top stage is just two flexible rollers that is powered off of this high strength shaft, which is connected to the intake motor down here.
Mm-hmm.
And then you'll notice this gap is definitely way larger than it needs to be. And the intention for that is this will also serve as the pivot point for the arm that will be launching, well, less launching and more just kind of placing up onto the main high bowl.
Oh, you don't have the arm yet?
No, yeah, the arm's gonna come up right after this.
Okay,
so
okay.
I took it off for now, just to get a proof of concept working for the intake stage first.
Yeah.
And then next one up will be the actual throwing arm.
How will you be able to like change the height of it though? Like scoring different heights.
So for scoring in different heights, it's not too big of a deal. I believe the I guess long goal in this case is the same height as the center goal for the topmost one. Unless I'm
it's
mistaken.
different. The center one is different than the long ones. The heights are different.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a new one. Is the center one shorter
It's
than
shorter.
the long ones? Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I might have to pull that up in CAD. But that shouldn't be too big of a deal to actually deal with. Because the neat thing with the throwing arm is that it's actually not going to be on a slip gear or anything. It is just directly driven by a motor.
Yeah.
So just 1-to-1 reduction, 100 RPM.
Mm-hmm.
The intention is that what you'll notice with a lot of videos from people that got the fields pretty early is that when you place a ball internally and you just like throw it, it can land pretty close to the center.
Yeah.
So instead of dealing with a conveyor system, which is just individually placing blocks along this line, the throwing arm is actually capable of modulating how much force it has behind each ball.
Yeah.
So we can choose to have a ball placed here, all the way here, or just throw it all the way across for descoring capabilities.
Yeah. Okay. That's actually really smart. I like that. Do you think 100 RPM
so
is enough?
It's like variable force, 200 basically. Sorry?
Do you think 100 RPM is enough? Because I feel like there's enough speed. Because I feel like 200 RPM would be a good balance between speed and torque.
That's the one thing that it's hard to test with like stuff in CAD.
Yeah, I mean if you have like
for sure, like when you
yeah.
Once you're able to get a field in person, it's a lot easier to sort of justify what works and what doesn't.
Hot swappable motors, you can easily do that. That's not a big problem at all.
Exactly. Yeah, if it's just direct driven or if the ratio is 1-to-1, it's very easy to swap out motors. Or if the ratio is adjustable, then you could maybe do like a 1-to-3 or a 2-to-3 with sprockets and stuff like that.
I see, yeah, of course. Okay, very, very cool. Back to Team 8. Hello, Quibble and Mango Man. How is the turret coming along?
It's coming along pretty well. Yep.
I see you guys are adding a wedge as well. Like an intake tongue.
Yeah, tongue mac.
Tongue mac. Oh.
No, because if you look at that video, the end is curved up.
Yeah. He lifts it up a little bit with his hand.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So
Let's
I
just
see someone
he
else.
can get it under.
I see someone
This
else
one's small
designing.
enough that we can just push it.
I see someone else designing who's using a piston to push that up.
No, I feel like for the actual game, teams will have their like tongue on a piston, like a wing from like over under.
Interesting. Okay. Team 5. What's going on? What are we looking at?
Use a search tool. Okay, you found it.
Is this it? No, that's
Yeah, we're
that's I.
All right, Team 3, Evil Mr. Water Games. What is this?
Uh,
It's like a tower takeover robot.
Tower takeover.
Tower takeover robot?
No, so I was thinking about this last night, and it's actually it's like a really simple and efficient way to score.
It is, yeah, because you're gonna lift it, yeah, exactly.
Like how much you could fit in this too. You could fit a lot.
And you could even add a trap door in the middle for it to hoard.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really simple. I'm not gonna add that just yet, but looking at time is, we'll see. I may add trapdoor. Simple. It's my favorite.
Yeah.
Jank too.
That might be I mean, the only thing that I would be scared of is a tipping, because there's a lot of defense play and stuff going on that might tip.
Yeah, you can add counterweight. I mean, the base I'm putting on is the base I have has counterweight.
Yeah.
Just also ignore the fun metal.
Okay. All right, on the Team 29. What's going on?
Hello.
Hello. Wow.
All right, we might be chopped.
What? What do you mean?
Are any of the other ones decent or?
No,
Yeah, no,
there's
Max.
some
This is what happens when you don't know how to CAD.
Bruh, it's not my fault.
No, you guys still got it though. Half of it is like popular vote.
It's true. It's true. Well, we have a SIG winner, so that's got to count for something. Is that on the rubric?
Who's the SIG winner? Oh.
He won Haunted, 16th seed.
Haunted big winner.
Oh, cool. Well, unfortunately, that's not on the rubric.
Dang.
Yeah, no, this is bias.
On to Team 23.
Hello?
What's going on?
Okay. So, we worked on adding this thing, and basically we can lift this up and down.
Yeah.
And on our front, we have our first stage, which is driven by two 5.5s on a 3-to-1 gear ratio of sprockets. It has this piston here, so when we're driving around normally, we can have this piston extended and be able to intake with a wider range. But then for match loads, we contract it, and it'll squeeze on the ball up to really quick.
Cool. I like that. That's smart.
Yeah.
Very smart design. Well, Chad, I really think we should have made this 1 hour. It's getting quite long. What do we think? I mean, so they still have like almost 40 something minutes left. This is gonna be, they're gonna be having a lot of pretty much fully done CADs, but that'll be nice though for you guys, because you guys can just whole CAD a lot of this, and we'll have a lot of videos coming out on these CADs. Yeah. On to Team 15. Hello.
It is so scary, but so great.
What is this?
That's the counter roller for our lower intake. It's scary.
Yes, very.
Oh, next time I can switch on. I can stream on Twitch if you guys want. I have not thought about that, but I think I'm getting actually really good viewer numbers. I can totally stream on Twitch. I think this stream peaked at like 200, but yeah, I can low-key do that. If you guys want. There will be another Speed Cad later. Let's see. Let's just listen to someone yap about their robot. Hello.
What? Hi.
Hi. Oh, keep going. Keep yapping. I just hoping to
Oh, Luke, you're not ready for their goated side plates, bro.
What is this?
Show him the
Jason
other side,
Love
Jason, show me the other
ABG.
Look at the other side.
What? Oh. Okay.
You don't like to G1 for saying ABG, okay?
Interesting.
I feel like they should get just a 2 times multiplier for their side plates. Me personally.
I don't know. I think we have to be fair. I think it adds some personality though. All right, chat. Yeah, I think I can set up a Twitch soon, and I can stream both on YouTube and Twitch. When we do. Yeah, bro, use all of his poly limit on Jason loves ABG side plates. That's a bit crazy, but I mean, he's doing what he wants, I guess. Okay, I'm back. Oh wow, what's that? What's the poly you got?
Is the first poly piece, and it's actually for the internal hopper. To
internal hopper?
Properly hold all the.
Oh yeah. Components. Cool.
So it just looks like that.
Yeah.
And then I'm actually toying with the arm placement right now.
Yeah.
Because it's actually proving to be pretty difficult to get it on the high strength axle from the intake.
Yeah, how are you gonna how are you powered in? Is it gonna be chain bar or chain powered?
For the actual throwing arm, I'm gonna see if I can do chain powered. Yeah. Otherwise, I may consider doing a just traditional gear driven.
Yeah, where's all the motors?
But,
do you only have 7 motors on right now?
Yeah, only 7 motors right now, and then the 8th motor will be for the actual throwing arm stage, which I'm trying to see if I can place right here.
Yeah.
Depends on if I can fit it, really. So, see how it goes.
Yep. Alright, on to team 1. Hello, LeBron. What's going on?
Hello. How's it going?
It's going pretty good. I like the intake. It's just looks like a high stakes robot. I'm not gonna lie.
It does, but hey, if it works, it works.
Yeah, that's true. We're gonna look at Team 24 with their revolver mech. Hello, Team 24. What are you guys cooking?
We are not right now.
Yeah, just join the general, and I can drag you into their channel.
We're gonna do tongue mech.
You guys are gonna do tongue mech?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I need to finish tracking this guy. Hello, team 5.
Like, literally.
Hi.
Hello?
Yo, I am here.
Oh wow!
What?
Why does
Who
he have
is
a
this?
voice changer? Who is?
What is
I'm here now.
Okay.
Do they know? Wait, do you guys know he's
Okay, I changed my mind about this guy. Luke, can you?
Do you have my voice changer?
Yeah,
on?
get him
Hold
out
on.
of here. Get him out of here.
Get
him out of here.
Get him out of here, please. Alright, Luke, welcome back to the Retired Unks VC.
Yeah, retired unks are making progress here.
So, what do you have to say about this CAD?
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
I did not realize I had my voice changer on.
Yo, Declan, can you explain our CAD for us since you just got here? In your stay, what's the CAD do?
So please tell me we have tug back. Please tell me we have tug back, Merrick. Please.
Yes.
Yeah,
we do.
absolutely.
I just made it. We
Okay.
So
we're cooking.
I'm gonna give you the rundown. So we have the intake, the normal intake, right? Let me just set a pivot. Oh, I got rid of the sketch. Okay, this is gonna look scuffed, but it's gonna work.
How did you get rid of the sketch?
I just turned off sketches. Because it looks nicer.
Turn it back on. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. We'll run that back for you then.
What the hell?
All right. So we got the intake.
Yep.
We got it normal, and then when the piston comes down, it pushes the intake down, and then we can grab balls from the match load tube.
Ooh.
Just like directly with the same intake, and it funnels it up into these flex wheels into the bot. We didn't know tongue mech existed.
I thought that.
Well, Merrick, yes, I'm catting it right now, so we're good.
Yeah, exactly. We have
Honestly, we could keep this like if we run out of time or something.
Yeah.
This
We'll
works.
work on the rest of the bot.
Yeah.
Yeah. The rest of the bot is progress to be determined for you.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Yeah, finish doing the rollers. Let's go.
Rollers?
Oh.
Okay, yeah. Did we like that
Yeah.
height?
No clue. Wait, drag the ball like the drag it over.
Yeah. I mean, it comes up. I think that's
we
fine.
might have to move it down.
Maybe a little
Like,
lower.
there's
I think
too much
lower. That way
dead-
the bands
dead-
actually get
yeah.
it.
Yeah. There's too much dead space.
Like a half-inch even.
Wait, no, down like the other way, like forward.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's too much dead space. It's not gonna reach.
I feel like it needs to go down the other way as well, though.
I don't know. Up to actually, yeah, probably like down, like maybe.
What do you think? What I'm doing is smart but also dangerous. Is it because what do you think? Is it push the meta too fast? Luke Vibehisho as a cooked CAD, like a bad. What do you mean by cooked? Like cooking or cooked? We can find a cooked one. I don't know. Oh, these guys are scouting on their opponents. Let's see if we can find Gert. Yo. All right, let's look at this one. What's up? How's the progression? Oh wow. Autodesk is really not having a good time. Okay. Oh, I'm actually deafened right now. Okay. Hello, what's going on?
What's up?
What's up? What we got here?
We're about to start making the hood.
The hood. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and then we're gonna add a piston so like it goes to multiple different stages, you know?
Yeah, is it gonna be like a front to back kind of intake?
Yeah, like the strat's gonna be like you just like load and then you
just
instantly
drive
score.
backwards into it. Nice. Cool.
I don't know where he went. I think he had to go do something.
Yeah. All right, on to team 13. What's up?
Hey.
Hello.
Hey, hello.
What is this? What's going on? What is what is all the pieces floating around?
So you got like a little like almost reverse L, kind of goes up like this,
Mhm.
and then in there, or it goes down like this, and then hordes.
Yeah, yeah. Cool.
And then you got double intake, like 2 balls.
Yeah. I see.
So.
Interesting. All right, team 12. Hello.
So.
What's up? What are you working on? What's this? It looks like a box.
Yeah. So, like this sketch, but like it's like a hopper bot, but like change up. So you can cycle really fast, and then you can also like store a bunch of balls.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, I think there's not that many people who's doing like a hoarding mechanism right now, which is interesting because I thought there's gonna be a lot more this season.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I think.
All right, on to team 11. Hello.
Oh. Hello.
Hello. What's going on? Hello. What's going on?
Hi.
Oh, what is this? Is this just like a regular like a conveyor?
Yeah.
With
yep.
flaps? With flaps?
Yeah, with flaps. We haven't put the flaps on yet, but yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay, nice.
And the intake motors back here.
yeah.
B1 on each side.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, on to team 10. Hello.
Yo.
Yo. What's going on? Oh, your stream is still not loading for me. What if you just start and stop it again?
Yeah, I'll try that.
Okay, on to 9. What's going on?
Yeah, I'll try that.
Okay, he didn't speak. Okay, on to 8. Hello.
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 Welcome
Good
to
progress on the turret.
360-degree turret. We are done.
Yeah? You guys are done already? I mean, there's a lot of stuff to do still. Low-key think Boots is gonna even end up counting the wires, bro. He's very, very far along already. Speedrunning everything.
Lovely.
Yeah, this is very impressive though. I think it's very super this is super ambitious for the season especially.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, like, you slap on Monte Carlo localization, and you'll be able to figure out which way the turret's pointing in real time, and compared to your drivetrain, and then you can shoot it in the direction you need.
Well, you need to calculate. You need to get the velocity right too, so then it actually lands. But then, have you thought about the fact that the balls aren't perfect spheres?
That doesn't matter. We can just compress it slightly more with the flex wheels.
But you're using black flex wheels. They don't compress.
It's the only color I had.
Okay. Okay. All right, on to team 2. All right. What is that? Is that the scoop slapper mech that like hits the balls out?
Yeah, this is the actual arm itself.
Yeah. Cool. The other people's signs.
Yeah, this actually bends the arm inwards.
Yeah.
To go inside of the hopper system. So I'll actually show you right now.
This is interesting. How's this gonna work? This is very. This is extremely fancy, high tech.
Yeah, I mean, that's kind of the plan. And then the hope is that because these hoppers are so large, the balls won't actually stack like this. They'll actually
sit like that?
Kind of stack on top of each other.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that way, internally it could hold like, ideally maybe 5 or 6. And then in the intake, if you wanted to, you could probably hold 1 in here. So
yeah,
it's not like the highest capacity machine in the world, but it also doesn't feel like a game where you need to really hold that many.
Yeah, I mean,
we won't really know
unlimited
until
limit though. I feel like you need to hold your opponent balls. What do you think?
In terms of holding opponent balls, I feel like you can do that, but you kind of run into the issue of starvation isn't really a thing that you can do in this game, just due to the sheer amount of match loads that can be introduced. So in a way, it can probably assist in early season matches, but I think as you go into the later season, I don't actually think starvation will be that big of a role to play with.
I see. Okay. Wow, I'm getting really tired already from this long.
Yeah,
game.
I mean, how many teams have you had to go between so far?
30.
There's 30 teams.
There's
Jesus.
30 teams.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that more than last time?
No, last time was 39.
Feels like... Really?
Last time was more. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna do one later though, and that one's gonna have probably a lot more because this is really early season. People are just finishing up with their exams. Some people aren't even done with their exams yet. So.
Yeah, that makes sense.
All right, I'm low-key just gonna go through some robot ratings right now, as one does. Let's go. Let's just go do some robot ratings while we're waiting for them to finish up those, make more progress in the CADs. Okay, revolver mech. Wow, is that right now? That's not right now. That was like an hour ago. That's I don't think this worked well, but it's cool. Okay, this one. Wow, people are going ham on the aluminum now after the bans. I am getting so bored. Exams are in 2 weeks for you. Yo, Lucas, meta. I don't know. But yeah, people are just going crazy on the metal. It's just a full-on metal bot, bro. The Vex robots are looking so much worse as they banned all the aluminum, or sorry, all the plastic. Match load mech coming soon. Oh, cool. So someone's literally built the robot that they're catting already. But yeah, it looks like this is pretty much exactly what they catted. But what's interesting is they're using rubber bands on the bottom. As you can see, they're using rubber bands on the bottom instead of I feel like you can use zip ties. Zip ties would probably be better. Tongue meta. I think the zip ties would be so much better than bands, but bands is pretty easy. I think rubber zip ties would be low friction as well. Oh, pushback intake hood isn't finished yet. Oh, nice. Wow, did I see they're able to shoot out the balls. Nice. Wow, I like the what is that, like braided wires? Or no, just like really well done management. Is the speed CAD going on still? Yeah, it's still going on. But I'm just taking a break from from the CAD because I'm low-key tired. We're 30 minutes from finishing though. Let's go through some other channels. Hello, Team 5.
Holy
What's going on?
Yeah.
Okay. No, okay, you know the edge of the hole, right? Go to the edge of the hole. Like,
Yeah.
no, that's the corner. Edge of the hole. Yeah, okay, now go to the middle of the edge of the hole.
Yep.
Yeah, now, like, go, like, very slightly down. You can get it so it's flush with the side. Yeah, there you go. Good.
Okay. Huge.
Holy shit, bro.
Yo, I
Oh
had
my
no
God.
idea what the fuck you were talking about. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
Yeah, then we
okay.
can just rotate off the point.
Okay, sure, whatever. I know the distance to like align it with the hole, so yeah.
Yeah, we're fine.
Aaron,
We're fine.
what else do we need, by the way?
Huh?
What else do we need?
No, we need to do storage, and like the hoard thing, and then the trapdoor.
All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. We're good.
Wait.
All right, on to Team 8. Quibble, what's going on? How's your turret?
It has not changed.
It's not changed. It's like you were looking at my stream. I hovered over the preview.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's look at Team 10. Hello. Oh wow, your stream is finally loading.
Yo.
How's it going? How's your cat? Oh, I see the snail bot. That's cool. This is like a very change up type robot.
Yeah.
I like that. You're gonna have
we
a
have
hoarding?
a piston. We have a piston right here to lower the wheels for the center goal.
Yeah. Are you gonna have a hoarding trap door for the back? I feel like you have a lot of space in the back still.
Yeah, we're gonna do something like that. It's gonna like open up to a hopper.
Yeah, unfortunately the team registration stopped already, but we will have another Speed Cad later this season. It'll definitely be like after the first SIG, after we see everything what's going on. We'll have another Speed Cad. On to Team 14. Hello, Trevor and Titus. What's going on?
Hello.
How much progress have you guys made?
Trevor.
Oh wow.
Yeah, Trevor's microphone still isn't working, so.
Yeah, there's like 30 minutes left. You guys have like just.
Yeah. We're working on the little trap door so we could switch from the long goals to the goal in the middle.
Yeah. The stream is asking to go to Madison's chat. Okay. Hello, CAD from Team 29. What's going on?
Oh shit! What is the spacing? I think I messed that up.
Hey Connor, you should finish your story.
Oh, that's basically about it. I just like started dying laughing and then like sent it to Max, but I don't know if Luke.
Team 25. I see.
What's
up? What's going on? What's up? Oh wow, this is nice. This is another like snailbot type robot.
We're like, I don't know. It's kind of bad.
I like the plate though because you having to use aluminum on the back now. That's not like
No, gotta do
all.
something. I mean, for now, like we can just put poly on it. It's non-functional decoration, right? No, you can't anymore. Poly can't be non-functional decoration if it's backed by legal material.
You can't.
They just illegalized that. Oh, yikes! Wait, Connor, you want to zoom out on the whole bot? Yeah, sure. That's kind of what we're looking like.
Oh wow, cool. Yeah, I mean it does look like a change up or a slash snailbot.
Yeah.
Yeah. They have a lot of space in the back. Are you gonna be able to hoard balls there?
So, possibly as like a pooper and just poop all the opposite balls.
Do you think you have space back there for your alliance partner to just like drive onto it?
Probably, actually.
Because I think,
Yeah, it depends.
because I mean, I know people are making their bot extremely flat, but at the other like side of the spectrum, you could just have like the bot only take up half of the space, and the other space you can just drive onto
Yeah,
the bot.
bot could conceivably drive on top, I think.
Obviously, like center of gravity matters in this, but you know.
Yeah,
I
of
mean,
course.
for the most part, it looks pretty fast. This is like these are just mesh for the most part.
We're really just like trying to focus on like cycling mainly, like and like being fast and lightweight. So that's kind of what this design's all about.
Yeah, ball path is pretty short. I think we're going for more of an offensive cycling strat. So, we can probably hold what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls in.
I feel like feature wise, like it's not like as cool, but I think cycling wise, it might be better than the other bots.
Yeah.
Defense, kind of like 1727G from change up. But yeah, not terrible.
Okay, chat. I think I've thought of something fun we can do. We can look at one of my old videos and just see what has how much has the content improved. I don't think it's gonna be that much. What up, gang? We're gonna go down. I'm gonna go to one from very long time ago. Let's watch the One World recap from Berkeley. Oh, this one's so cooked. Let's see. Oh yeah, this tournament we got destroyed in the quals. We were ranked so low. We ranked like 70 something, 72nd or something, and then ended up getting picked and then losing by like like 10 points to first seed, which could have one of our alliance partners. Hang didn't snap. Oh wow, that's me. Oh, Jason hitting the gritty. What's going on? Jason sliding across, bro. I kind of miss over under. I'm not gonna lie. Over under was pretty lit because I feel like everyone had a part to play in over under, and that was one of my favorite games because everyone is involved on the drive team, way more involved than the previous year. Because high stakes, I think, was a pretty standard Vex game where you didn't have the whole drive team be involved. But I think something like this really gets the whole team involved. 10 out of 10 content. Yeah, I like it. I think this is pretty lit. I can show you what went wrong on the last match here. Yeah, this is the quarterfinals. We're playing against Seed 1 at Seed 9. And you can see here, we would have won the match, but our alliance partner, Hang, snapped as they were going on here. Their Hang, just their standoff snapped off. And then we had our park, and then we did not win. Oh, wow. And here's me losing in to Richard. Anyways, cool, fun times. All right, back to the stream. Whose chain broke? Oh, I said their standoff snapped. Robotics is standoff snapped in half, which they fell off their hang. Unfortunately, moving on to Boots, Team 2. Hello. Oh wow, you are making some amazing progress. And they're going to park onto your robot as yeah. I see, it's almost done.
Oh, that's broken. There we go. So I can rest all the way back here.
Mm-hmm.
I should be able to load up an individual ball.
Yeah, but how can I get back? What are the ball slides down?
Yeah. So the next stage to this is adding a passive lock system.
Yeah.
To where
so when it goes
the arm
up,
is
it
stuck,
locks, and then comes down, it opens.
Yeah. There's a little gate that locks it up. Yep.
Yeah.
And then in an ideal scenario, the gate is actually pneumatically ran so that the gate can fully let go and it can deposit balls into the low zone.
Oh, okay, I see, I see.
Yep, just off the back ramp.
Yeah, that's
So,
sick.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the arm though. That's kind of
Yeah.
the main killer feature. And then the arm's actually 1 to 5, but the motor would be 600 RPM in this game.
Yeah, I think I saw. Oh, the chat's asking. This was supposed to launch cubes. It's supposed, yeah, it's kind of launch cubes, but it's more like an arm that just like kind of like slaps the cube into it.
Yeah. So in this scenario, you would load up a ball on the backside. You would simply zero yourself relative to the goal. And then through code, you could choose to deposit the ball just at the very end.
Yeah, you can like have it stop,
Like
so then
so?
like, or you can like run it faster. I don't know. So then,
Yeah, or you can just run it and then plow through. So
yeah,
that gives you variable distance into the goal that you can shoot into.
Yeah.
While still being able to maintain a lot of balls internally for the hopper.
Yeah. Sorry, Chad. I've been sick, so that's why I'm kind of struggling today. Oh, also one more thing is that I noticed that another team had a really like very thin, like snail bot, change-up bot, and then the back of the robot was completely empty, and they can use like that to have their. They said they can use that to have their alliance partner park on it. So
That's pretty interesting.
They
Yeah.
only
You could just like
half of the bot. Yeah, first half of the bot.
Yeah, so you could just like have a little conveyor system up here, just big ramp, I guess. Yeah, that'd be pretty interesting.
Yeah. All right.
Now to figure out where to attach the brain. I haven't done that yet.
And the team in question is Team 25. Hello. Hello. We were just talking about how you guys had a almost empty rear end.
Yeah, it's definitely interesting. So I don't know. We could add like a hoarding mech, but that's like really heavy, right? And then you can't use like polycarb for that. So at the same time, we're just like, is
Can
it
you
really
not
worth
use
it for
like
performance?
like mesh to just make a bag, a hoarding bag?
Yeah, so that's what we've been like doing for like the rest of it. So like there's like a mesh that's like for the ramps, as you can see.
Mhm.
So that's kind of just like one of our solutions to the poly
Yeah.
goals.
Hey, bingo, we got a brain.
Is that your D-score mech right there with the piston?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you
Very interesting.
Do you think that's? I mean, you're gonna save the back for maybe a partner hang or no?
I think it's still possible. We just need to be a little bit conscious of the brain.
Yeah.
But I mean, like,
if it's a small bot,
what's
you know.
$500, right?
And also,
I mean, with Sig, is with Sigwin worth more than 500? Yeah.
I think what's it called? You know, like the barriers, you only need to cross them like halfway. So I think pretty easily you can get, you know, 2 robots like kind of like how they showed in the reveal video. So
yeah.
Yeah, I mean, this is what I think 12.5 inches across. How big are the barriers again?
I forgot. It's
I-
like
yeah.
also like 15,
17.
I think. 15, 17.
15.
And also, yeah, you can expand both ways.
It's probably possible. We could add some pistons going into the ground, so we pop up a little bit.
All right, on to Team 10. What are you guys cooking up right here? Oh,
Redirect hopper.
that's a redirect hopper I'm looking at.
So it goes down through here, and it's gonna go into this hopper.
Yeah. We have what is that? The Italian brain rot on this side. All right, that's crazy. Holy brain rot. All right, on to Team 6.
Hello.
Hello. what's going on?
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, why is this not rotating? Oh, that makes sense. Why did you just
Gosh
enable?
darn it.
Oh,
I
why
accidentally
did you
hit
do
someone.
that?
I accidentally hit something.
We're going to Team 1. Hello, hello. Oh, wow. Is that LeBron on the robot?
It is LeBron.
On the, where is he going on the robot?
On the, I don't know. He's just there.
He's just there
right now. I mean, he doesn't need to be attached. I mean, he just levitates.
He just
It's just
levitates?
around for you.
Okay. I really hope the chat doesn't like.
So, should I give a tour?
Hmm?
I'm basically done.
Yeah.
All right. So, it didn't really turn out like amazing, but hey, we work with it. So we got the first stage. It's on a 5.5 watt, and then 3 to 1, and then it's basically the that one video with the standoffs and the intake. So
Yeah,
that brings the ball. Yeah. So it's like that, and then it's able to drop from the piston. It's like over under when it had the string attached. It's a string stopper, and then when it actuates, it'll fall down to be able to do the loading. And then all right, so then past the first stage, we got this stage. So it's a little scuffed. We got and it's lifted.
Oh,
we got 2 5.5 watts. These are running flex wheels, right? And then it basically helps bring it up, and then we can fit 5 in here. Now the idea behind this is that it would be on a linear slide, and then kind of like a tower takeover, so that when we go to drop off all the balls, like that,
not like dropping on LeBron.
The banded, yeah, LeBron, or him right there. But then the banded linear slide would help push the balls through, and then these would be spinning outward, and then it would shoot the balls much faster through the long tube, hopefully making it to the control zone easier.
Oh yeah, because you're basically putting speed on both sides of it.
Yeah. And the control bonuses are basically like the swing points for this game, and they're heavy value. So if you're able to get that by launching like 5 of them way in there, then you kind of control it for most of the match.
Okay, cool.
That's the bot.
Yeah. On to team 17. Hello. Oh, his screen is still just so cooked. All right, on to team 19. Sorry. Hello. Oh wow.
So
what's the like I see on your intake you have this looks like I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if you've seen the tipping point, like first reveals in tipping point, but this looks like one of those bots.
No, I didn't see those, but I kind of got inspired by the ring rush mechs, like the early ring rush mechs from last year, where you had the bar that went down. Only this will kind of go in and pull out 1 cube at a time from the loader. And I was thinking maybe during Auton, you would deploy it and run into it, and it would pull out the opponent's rings. That way you don't intake them accidentally.
Oh, I see. Okay, interesting. Cool.
Yeah.
On to team 23. Hello. Oh, hello. I do not want to get copyrighted right now. What's going on?
Okay, so, it's my fault. I'm sorry.
So as you can see here, we have this system. Each of our individual stages has its own motor. So as it's going up, we can store balls if we want, as well as instead of making this one go forward, we can reverse this motor and make them feed back into this magazine right here.
Yeah.
So this magazine, it's going to be held together. They changed the rules to have infinite rope, so it's essentially around it you can crochet a rope magazine to hold all the balls.
Doing the
That's to be more
basket.
compliant. Yeah, so that basket's going to be able to hold them all, and then as you can see, these can expand outwards. I'm adding the piston for right now.
Yeah.
Once these expand, it'll drop all of the... Sorry, I'm laggy.
Yeah.
Just chill.
Once the piston pulls those apart, it drops the balls back onto the top of the intake, and it can roll back in and feed back into here and score again.
Okay, got it. Interesting.
And then at the top here, we'll also have like rope or bands right here so that it goes in that curve. instead of flying out.
Okay. All right, back to Team 5. Hello.
We're still cooked.
Hi.
You're so cooked. Why you're so cooked?
This is so scuffed.
We are fucked. Okay, good to know.
Just a little bit.
Oh, why are you guys cooked? What's even wrong with this? It looks fine.
Okay,
We're a little
no,
cooked.
we just have
We're a
bunch of
little in
stuff that we still
shambles.
need to do. We're a little behind. Okay, wait. Wait, James, you're doing the trapdoor.
Yes.
Yeah, James, tell me.
What is brain rot pulled up?
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
Don't worry
Oh
about
my
that.
god, bro.
Okay, we have the tongue back. We have the tongue back. We have also the aligner on the back.
Honestly,
looking
let's
at
just
goals.
not deal with the tongue back. We don't need to do it. It's fine.
We don't want tongue back.
Honestly.
What was the other
It's
one
just-
you sent me,
It's
James?
just literally one mate, bro. It's one mate. Just attach the piston to the bottom of the drivetrain.
Hello. All right, I'm back. Oh, what are those standoffs for?
This is for the passive hook system.
Mm-hmm.
It'll actually run underneath the entire system
Passive?
and sit right around there.
Yeah.
Yep. So when the arm is down, if you've seen like cube blocks from Tower Takeover, it's a very similar concept. To where when this pushes down, it pushes on a lever, which removes a lock from the system.
Yeah.
And then when this swings upwards, the lock actually engages in place.
Mm-hmm. Oh, cool.
And that will
Oh yeah.
ideally
See if you can do that in time. We have
any
around
elements.
15 minutes left. Okay. My assistant joined. Can you help? Just like do like an all the competitors and tell them that you need to submit. They need to submit a couple photos of their CAD into into the Speed Cad general, and then their team number as well, with the CAD. If you can just add them. Okay, wait. I saw you CADed your mesh. That's pretty impressive.
My what?
Your mesh.
Oh yeah, yeah. This is actually skid plate material, so it's an old little trick that we have.
Mm-hmm.
It mimics anti-slip mat. It's pretty cool.
That's cool. I did not know that was available. That's crazy.
Yeah. No, it's pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh wow. Okay. Cool beans. One second, chat. I need to look at something real quick. I need to the chat. Alright, I'm back. Let's go to 5 and see what's going on. Hello.
Hi.
I added the tongue muck and the puncher into the thing.
Sure. I'm not even sure how you're getting that to work. Like.
No, I don't know either, but I don't know if we really need it because we have the intake thing.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, like we
Puncher we should have. Puncher we should have.
Like, we already have all the functionality of tongue mac, but faster.
Yeah.
Right?
Good.
Oh, hey, Luke.
Hello. You're opening Epic Games. Interesting. What is this?
I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah.
Nice. I like your Mac. Okay, Angie. I need you to send a message adding all the competitors, telling them to take screenshots of their robot and then submit their robot CAD as a photo, and then also like write their team number as well into the Speed Cad general.
Shit, let me just extend it then.
Yeah, if you're done, you just take a screenshot of it and send it into Speed Cad general with your.
I had it folded up.
Oh, you gotta get it folded
I
up.
did. Yeah, I had it like set for matched up or pre-match. This is the stupidest thing I've designed in a while.
Wow, cool. It looks nice though.
It's crazy storage stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shoot.
Hello, what's going on? Bro, you guys have like 10
We're
minutes
done.
left.
We're done. We're done. We're so done.
He's just
Dude, hurry up. Hurry up and save something. Hurry up and save something. Oh, and it says to add your team number. What do we do for our team number?
Team
Bro,
14?
It's 14.
Oh shoot! I thought it was talking about other. Talking about like actual robotics team number. I'm retarded.
Okay, you can't say that, man.
You can't say that. It's crazy.
Oh my bad. I didn't even realize Luke was in here. My bad.
Good. We're on to team 20. Hello.
Should be fine.
What's going on?
Hello. We have our buddy park finished.
Buddy Park, really?
Yeah.
Yes.
So basically, over here, right, this part is passive. It's banded up to this position. As our teammate robot drives into here, this will go down. But once there's an opening, it will spring back up, clapping it. But if we just lift up right there, then the entire robot will tilt backwards. So we have this piston over here. This piston will push against your teammate's robot, keeping it in place while we flip it up.
Do you
So that
flip
would be
the
parked.
robot
And
up
then-
with the winch?
Yeah. Yep.
Yes.
Over here. Our
Wow.
string is rooted up here so that it has maximum leverage.
Yeah. Wouldn't you think it'd be faster if someone would just park on your robot? They just drive onto it? Because they have to drive onto this and you have to like winch them up. In this case.
If they drive onto this, it could be could have a problem because they might not be braking the plane. Back wheel might touch the ground.
That's true.
Oh. All this is good. We only need to lift up like a little bit. It's not even like a lot. Only like
Yeah, as long as like they're off the ground and in the plane, it counts as double park. So that's like what matters in the end.
Yeah.
Should be only like 1 second.
All right, team
What's up?
25. What's going on? Carter and Carter.
Oh, we're just like wrapping it up and making things look nice. So.
Yeah, I like the mesh as well. You guys have outside the mesh. That's cool.
Yeah.
I might have copied that from Boots, but
I mean, he took like no time to copy. That's crazy.
yeah, I mean, like I knew like kind of what he did to get it, so
Very quick work. Yeah.
All right. Let's just take the sleds and then we should be good.
yeah, sleds. All right.
Very
But
cool.
yeah.
Okay.
Don't make him like stick out like the seat.
All right, on to team 10 again. Hello. Oh wow, what's going on? What is this contraption you've made here at the back? Oh.
Hopper.
Hopper, for the ball to come out.
Yeah. And then when the piston retracts, the thing stays in.
Yeah. Interesting. Cool. Oh, back to team 8. Hello. How's your turret going?
It's going pretty good. We added a brain so that we can like defend other robots, and we added a radio which only serves as added friction to the drivetrain and has no other purpose.
Interesting. Okay. Can you run me through how this whole thing works?
All right, so we intake from the front, where the ramp is. It'll intake in from that, go up to the turret. The turret is able to spin a full 360 degrees and can intake from nearly all degrees. It'll then intake up through the turret and then launch out the front. And the turret has a plastic ring around it that is a gear. I didn't feel like modeling the holes in it, but it has a gear and it's able to turn the 360 degrees and launch the bombs.
Yeah. Someone in chat just said, "Watch an opponent turn off your bot mid game."
It's not very hard.
Definitely will be happening.
All right. Well, we're gonna
Dude, my real life bot already does that to itself.
Yeah. They said 29 as chat as tech. Hello. What tech you guys have?
Connor, explain the tech to him.
All right, so basically it's like moving structure, I guess. I don't really know how to explain it. So because you only really need to score in like the top goal and then the middle one, because the bottom one you can kind of just outtake. So we're gonna use pistons to move it along with the L channel for support, and we're gonna use polycarb laser cut, kind of like if you've seen 1010Ws tier 3, how the polycarb kind of like supports the moving C channel. And then we're using 11-watt flap and it's gonna have flex wheels for a hood. We just haven't added it yet because we ran out of time.
Yeah, I mean, you
And
have
then
7 minutes to add that.
oh shoot, yeah, might need to lock in.
Add it.
And then first stage is 11 watt vertical um like hood thing. I don't know what to call it, but it should be good because that way, unlike robots like a 2145Z, you don't have to like go in and out.
Okay. Nice. That's taking us. On to team 2. Hello. Are you done? Are you already done?
Oh yeah, I just finished setting up the entire thing.
Oh, nice. Wow, that's very impressive.
Yeah. So it's got 4 in the tray, 1 in the intake, and can dunk.
Yeah.
And you can also see the little lever segment that engages
how does
and
that exactly,
disengages.
How does that exactly work? Oh, you just like press down on the on that.
And that opens up the tray.
Wow, that's a very nice design. How long have you been planning this? Have you like thought about this beforehand?
No, not really. I mean, the main thing I knew I wanted to do was kind of like a throwing arm thing. Everything else in terms of like the passive lock or the intake system was kind of just on the fly. But yeah.
Okay, wow, that is pretty neat.
Yeah, it's anything but a conveyor. That was kind of my main goal.
Yeah, everyone else.
I really don't want
many
to.
teams built conveyors.
Seriously?
Yeah, a lot
Damn.
of yeah. Well, actually, no, there's some cool ones. There's a turret, like a 360
Really?
turret.
Dude, that's sick. Okay, I'm curious.
Yeah, there's a lot of unique designs actually, which is nice. I think there's only like 2 or 3 snailbots out of the 30 teams.
Okay, that's honestly awesome to hear.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
On to team 1, LeBron. Hello, are we done? Is this a finished product now? Okay. Hey, Kevin.
In my humble, honest opinion, LeBron James is the best man to ever exist, and he should win.
He should win. This
Yeah.
should win the CAD comp.
This
Just
wins.
because I think
Yeah.
Bruce has it on lock pretty much.
Boot. Oh yeah, I saw it. It was pretty goated.
Yeah, I think people have to fight for second or third.
Yeah.
Let's go to 5. Hello.
James, you gotta send it.
Are you guys done?
Wait, what? Oh, that's why I wasn't sharing because it wasn't saved.
Dunk. Hi, bro.
This guy, bro.
We're locked in. We're locked
Hey,
in.
you're
dialed.
so locked out, bro.
We totally didn't change like half of the bot in 5 seconds. James, we need that
there's
file.
4 minutes left.
We have 5 minutes.
I'll put in the PC.
Oh wow, nice. Are you rendering it for the photos? Cool.
Do I have to write up an explanation on this, or
What's up?
do I have to like write an explanation on how this works?
No, you don't need to. I think that's pretty easy to understand. I'll have the popular vote run right now. Actually, let's run the popular vote. All right, chat. So basically, how this is gonna work is I'm gonna go 3 teams at a time, and then you guys will vote between them, and then we can see. Let's see. Sort of poll. Which team? Actually, let's see how many teams we can fit in. So this is team 1, 2, 3, 4 isn't here, so we'll do 5, and then 6. We can do 4 teams at a time, so we'll do 4 at a time. So this is team 1. Team 1 is LeBron mech. Team 2 is this one, the Foley, very well thought out dunk mech. Team 5 is this one here, with the Italian brain rot, and team 6 is this one here, which is motorized, kind of like a tower takeover bot. You guys start with the first couple. So this is 6. This is 5, and then this is 2, which we've looked at many times, And this is 1. Currently 2 is pulling very far ahead. So he's currently thinking for this. Let's go to 6 and ask some questions. Hello, Team 6. What's going on?
Doing good.
Yeah.
We kind of didn't realize we didn't have that much time, so we kind of rushed at the end.
Yeah. What's the? I mean, I see it's kind of like a. So you have a lift on the kind of like a tire takeover lift.
Yeah, I mean, my idea was kind of like the old Echo wall stake mech, like 4-bar.
Yeah.
And it allows us to, because if we look at it from this angle, we're under the tall bar, so we can drive under, and that gives us a lot more mobility.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I mean, that was just the main premise of it.
Yeah.
Right.
We have LeBron does robotics in the chat. LeBron does robotics. No, he's getting cooked. It's over for LeBron. The channel. It's not many. Let's see. LeBron does robotics. Giddity goon. Let's pull him up. Shout out to LeBron does robotics. Insane 6 versus 6 in high stakes mega match. Let's watch this. Oh wow. Okay. That's pretty crazy. 1 minute until the timer shuts off, by the way, so we need to move quick. Let's go to team 8. This is team 8. This is their. So for the first section, we can just, they win 70%. And then we will be going to section 2, another vote, which is going to be so this is going to be team 8, which is the turret. Team 9, which, hello, can you show me a different view of the robot? Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, sorry. This is supposed to be mesh. I'm just too lazy to cut it because I don't know how to do it.
It's team 9, and then this is team 10. Nope, that's not team 10. This is team 10. Okay, this is team 10. And then this is team 11. Oh, can you show me? Wait, can you show me your CAD real quick again? Hello.
Can you show me? Wait. Can you show me your
Is your
CAD
CAD
real quick again?
open?
Can you show me? Wait. Can you show me your CAD real quick again?
Oh my gosh.
Where?
Hello, pull up your CAD. We're gonna do voting. Hello, pull up your CAD. Okay.
Share your screen so we can watch. Oh.
I can see it. Okay. Okay. Last team 11. Let's see what the people decide for the popular votes. Once again, this is team 8. Which
Hello.
is the turret. Hello. Oh, team 9 stopped their stream already. And this is team 10. And then 11, which, is he watching the stream right now? Okay. That's 11. Okay.
See it?
Wow, 10 is in the lead. That's surprising. I thought 8 was gonna win.
Get on the stream and vote 8.
Yeah, vote 8. Get on the stream and vote 8 is crazy.
Vote 8. Vote 8, everyone. Trust.
I think 10 is pulling ahead pretty far with 10% more of the votes now. I do agree. 8 is pretty cool though. Vote 8. You guys can have like 10 more seconds to vote until we move to the next set, which is gonna be. Oh wait, they might actually overtake. Oh wait, they overtook. Wow. Okay, on to we're gonna.
Oh.
Luke, hello. Tie. That last one was a tie. Okay, this is team 13. And then this is 14. Shoot. And this is 15. And then the next one is 16. Hello. Oh, they did not. Wait, let me go to this one. There we go. That's 16. Okay. Alright, chat. 13, 15, 14, 15, 16. This is 16. 15 should be. Yeah, 15. 16 with 40%. That's 14. And that's 13.
Welcome back.
13's a horde bot too. 13's a very, very big horde bot. Big chunky horde bot. After they saw that, they just voted for the horde bot. Oh, what is 16? Oh, 16 is... They're on the stream right now. They're both on the stream. Okay. Let's go to 17. And we can... 63 votes on that one. Okay. So this is 17. And then this is 18. The 18 is not a lot of... 19 does not have their... Let me open the chat to see 19. Oh, this is 19. Okay. This is 19's. Which is... Drive... Wait, what? No, wait, that's from last time. What? They did not submit theirs. Okay. 20. Did they submit theirs? In the chat? They did. Okay, cool. This is 20's. This is the ABG bot. Vote 19 if you love LeBron. This is 20, which is the ABG bot. Jason love ABG. Let's go to 18. And then that's 18. And that's 17. 19 doesn't even have a robot. They didn't even submit anything. I don't see anything in the submission. Wow, 20 is currently barely ahead of 19. Okay. We'll stop it once it hits like 60 votes. And then we can move on to 21. 21, is there a robot in the chat? Let's see, there is one, okay. I think 20 wins that one. And here's 21. 21. And then here's... Was there a team in 22? Okay, there wasn't a team in 22. 22 was not there. 23. 23 is very crazy horde. 24. Oh, let me look at the photos. No, that's from last time. 24, okay. 25. This is 25. There's your photos in here? In the chat? There is, okay. This is 25. We saw them many times this stream. Okay. So, 20, 25, 23. This is going to be a tough one. Go back to 23. This is very, very close. They're super close. Wait. We're taking screenshots right now. Okay. they're tied. Wait. This is the 25. And then okay. Let's wait for them to submit theirs. Vote 25 for free mag plates. This is more photos of 25. 25 gets free mag plates. 76 votes. This robot is fast cycling, high scoring, and lightweight robot. It's designed to switch offensive, defensive. Here's their description of the robot. Let's see if 23 submitted. They did. Okay. This is the 23. Kanye. Okay, we're interesting. Wow. Okay. I think they tied, I'm not gonna lie. And then we have a one. And this is 20, 26, and then 29. But I don't think it's fair to have them. Didn't even sweat. Oh, they won by 1%. That's crazy. Let's see, 29. Okay. So we have 26 and 29. This is 29, and this is 26. But this is just one versus another. I guess we can give them more points, though. I don't think it's really going to matter. $29 with 73%. Okay. All right. Let's go to judging. Whew. That's a lot of work. Hello, judges. Hello. Oh shoot, I'm deafened. Hello, judges. Hello. How's it going?
They reroll.
All right. What are we thinking?
10 more, Matt.
Yes. We're going through this stuff right now.
Yeah, I'm thinking. I'm gonna run through the votes as well. Let's see who won the vote on each
We're
side.
basing this off. We are not basing the actual winner off the popular vote.
No,
are
we're
we?
not. That's a part of it though.
It's a part of it. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think? Yes. What we just asked.
Well, we just need to figure out who's the top couple in the actual voting, actual judging section, and then we can just we can count their popular vote in it too.
Luke, are you still streaming?
Yeah, I'm still streaming. They can hear you, but they can't
Right
see
now?
they can't see what's going on. Yeah.
Oh. Okay, bye. I was getting poker advice.
What?
Okay. Okay, we are actually filling out the sheet this time.
Nice.
So
That's very very professional this time. Thanks. Yeah. Let's see.
Yo, I'm back.
No
I just
Oh.
just did 29.
Shoot. Someone
did 29.
Someone wants
Loki,
me
wait,
to
just yeah.
to do their
Just
team
go.
number for them.
You
Let's
can
see.
just
Team
go
number.
through all of them.
Question.
And then
Let's see. What's a good number? 3595 8965 8193. What do we think, chat?
8193.
Let's have chat do a vote.
Luke, what?
This guy DM'd me asking me to select a number for him, so we're gonna select him a number. Chat's gonna vote for this.
This is huge. Are you all going in normal order, 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, something like that? Is it okay if I go backwards, I guess? From the biggest number to the smallest?
Wait, what? Let's see. 19 freaking bro, this guy's getting banned.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry. Okay. 3595 is winning by a landslide. 2029 is best. Okay. We're going with 3595 then. I'll be recording the submission. Okay. Cool.
but team 3 is team 3 is peak. The box spot is fire.
Team 3?
I gotta say.
Yeah. How many points do you
not like
Boots getting here? Is he locked?
He's probably locked, to be honest, but we'll see.
Yeah.
But honestly, team 3, this is kind of goated.
Yeah, I don't think any.
Look at the
team 3,
the 13 tall drive. That might be
that's
the best
pretty
thing I've
funny.
ever seen.
That is pretty funny. There's a sensor for in a piston for color sort. What? That's so dumb. Luke, are you competing in No Shower May? I am not competing in No Shower May. I will continue to take showers in May.
So, guys, he's lying, so you might not want to listen to him. He's not showering. He actually hasn't showered since like last year, so
Right.
I can smell his aura from here.
You can smell the aura.
Wait,
And like I'm like 1,000 miles away from him, so like that says something.
Yeah. Eudora, were you saying something?
Oh yeah, there was no team 4.
Yeah, I know. There's no. They don't think. I think they no showed. Oh well, we're gonna see a video on this robot very soon. very soon. It's gonna be, check out this new design.
Facts, bro.
Luke, I know you pooped in the sink. Okay. Nice. Why is it black? Bro, who is this guy?
Why does 5 look like a high stakes hole count?
5?
Unironically. Why does it look like a hood?
A hood? It is a hood. That's the whole point. It is a hood.
It is a hood.
Wait, it literally is a high stakes spot.
Oh.
Wait, yeah, I was in the voice call and they were like, you should add a flap on top like a high stakes hood bot.
I just got told that Team 2 cheated. I don't think they cheated. I'm not gonna lie. They competed last time as well, and we were there. We were watching them pretty much the whole time. So. Kevin, what do you think? What are the current judging?
What are the what?
The current judging points. I think.
I mean, Boots is probably gonna finish in the top 3 at least. Look, I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
Everything else is kind of we're still.
Who's all like doing the points for that?
There's 4 of us right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll probably pick out the few top designs at the end and see which ones should be
Since Team 2 cheated, 21 should win. That's crazy work.
I think Team 25 is really good.
25?
Their design is really good.
That's Connor.
Yeah,
35.
Connor and Carter.
Yeah, I thought it was nice.
Yeah. Luke, Team 5 wants you to rate their bot.
Team 5?
Yeah.
Okay, let me join them. I'll just rate it.
Good.
All right, let's do it. Let's do a robot rating. Team 5 robot rating. All right. I like the match load. What is it called? Match load mech, remover mech.
Yeah. The
intake.
Single changer on intake.
You might not see this, but on the side we also kind of have a under the bot. We also have a tongue mech. It's just a small
Yeah, we didn't add it in time.
Yeah, it's separated.
Just an extendable. We also have a trap door there, under the hood part for extra storage. We kind of just unextend it so we can store 2 balls, and then we can push it back up to use the balls further. That's misactivated.
Yeah.
We also have the back liner just so we can run onto a freaking goal and immediately start scoring. We have the really good pre-roller for a match loads, and yeah, that's about it.
Yeah, I'm excited to see how these type of intakes actually perform in a real match scenario, because we haven't seen any of it happen yet. There's not even a single competition yet, and we've already. I mean, I feel I'm honestly really happy with how this Speed Cad turned out, where we pushed the meta so far forward already. Again, just with so many teams catting this early on. But yeah, I'd give this one a solid 8 tier, honestly. Just early designs.
Huge.
Yo.
LeBron said Team 1 wins by default. Let's join. What's up? You said Team 1 wins by default because of LeBron mech? This design has a OU style, over-under style intake, and tower takeover score. It has a linear slide on the lift, so with flexible spin and pushes really fast to reach the control zone of the long goal. It also follows all rules of pushback. That is true. It follows all rules. 8-minute drive. Team 10. They're all. Let's go to Team 10. Hello, Team 10. What do we got? Team 10 does look good though. This does look good. I like the the change-up style snail intake on this one as well. I feel like that'd be meta because you can drive forwards and it'd be really intuitive to drive. Team 13 gets innovate. What does 13 have? Oh shoot, this is 13's flywheel. Who gooned on my robot? 35 ball capacity. Okay. What are people doing in general? There's people sitting in general. There's like 50 people in all the VCs right now. That's crazy. Going nuts. 13 for free mag plates. So good. Winning worlds. Tide Pod Eater. Bro, what is chat? Show Madison. Okay, let's show team 29s. Here's team 29s. Team 6 wins innovate. Team 10 wins. Team 10 wins. Alright, bro. Some crazy spam. Let me join Kevin.
Valid.
Hello, Kevin.
Hello.
What's going on? How's the judging going, Kevin?
I went in here because I thought this was an interesting design,
Yeah.
but I will say Boots' design looks cool, but in terms of competitive viability, it does have issues, so we'll be taking that into account for sure.
Okay.
So, but like, yeah, I am working through the teams slowly, so.
How long do you think it'll take for them to...
On stream, bro.
All right, my bad.
Bro just said that's cap. Okay. Anyways.
Yeah. I don't know, do they want to have this out by tonight? I think.
I don't know. We might take another day, but we'll see. But yeah, I don't know. What the plan is, I think, is like we're gonna take the top few designs and reevaluate them like more closely. Well, that's what I want to do, but I don't know if other people want to do that. So.
I mean, sure. If we want to like give like a top 5, we can just do top 5.
A top 5.
Are we doing top 5
3?
the scores on the sheet?
I think I want to do. Yeah, I think we should pick out the top 5, and then from there we can narrow it down more.
Okay. All right, chat. I don't know if we're gonna say it's like do that on stream. I'm gonna be real. I think that will take a while for them to do. But let me know. Like, do you guys want to see the whole process on stream? I think it'll take long. Here's my top 5: LeBron. Make an announcement. Yeah, we're gonna make an announcement. Did you want to see this on stream? Top 28. Team 10 is number 1. How do you make a top 3 winners announcement? Yeah, we might do that. We're gonna probably do that. Let me text the judges. Three-way bracket, bro. I don't want to be that complicated. This is just a very early season. Very early season CAD. So like none of these are even sure is gonna work yet, so top 3 top 3s and figure out top 3. Yo, Luke, I finished my CAD. Bro, I think they're deciding on the top 3 right now actually. So we're about to see. Yeah, I think LeBron's pretty cool. I think he's pretty cool. Oh wow, this is an interesting robot. We're gonna rate this one real quick before other stuff. This is that is a crazy amount of balls to hoard. This is team 12. And they have a massive hoarder robot on a change-up style intake. Really utilizing all that space you're given in that. The total space. Dang. How many can you fit? 37 balls? That's crazy. That's like the whole field. They can fit the whole field in there. Just like a golf cart. Yeah. This one is illegal. The dirt. Yeah. The side plate is illegal, unfortunately. Okay. What was the highest team score you scored with the chart? Just like, let me just tell them to give me the chart scores. Hello, can you just like send the scores you got in the chart? We can just pick like for the ones you already scored. We can just pick the highest
Bro,
out of
this
those.
takes a while, bro.
Bro, like the chart's gonna take at least
Yeah, I only
another.
got up like another like 20 minutes. I'd
Okay.
say.
That's chill.
20 minutes.
They'll be scoring. Grant Cox made Vex fun. Now it's breaking apart. Team 10. All right, we can Loki just do robot ratings until they're done. Then that's perfect actually. Let's run some robot ratings. Whew, it has been a long stream. All right, just moving around some parts. Multiplied bot or a T3 fail. Interesting. Let's look for some pushback stuff. I've seen enough high stakes for so long. All right. And they said they'll have like the scoring should be done in 20 minutes. Team 8. Okay, we have a 6-minute drive and then 5.5 intake, and that's it. This is an over under bot, bro. Let's just go up some and look for some more stuff. Oh, this is a extra P. Wow. Crazy work winning the div. Good stuff. Unfortunately coming in second again this season. That's skills. Where the baddies at in Luke's comment section? Single like a Pringle right now with 675 GSMST Robotics. Okay, that's crazy. Oh wow, that is a pushback robot. Oh, so cooked. Yeah, I saw these earlier and I was like, dang, that's actually insane. You can just descore all the balls easily as we saw, but look at this. Look how flimsy that is. In other parts as well. I mean, like, given that they built this right, like, look at how... I mean, this is clearly built right. But if you look at the bottom... Wow. They should just make the balls heavier. That's what I'm saying. They're way too light right now. But if you look here, how much they shake if you just, like, are, like, pushing with your hands. Imagine a robot, like, running into it at full speed. I swear, the poly is so gonna crack. All right, that's crazy spam, you guys. Will meta be? I think the meta will still be a change up style like Snailbot. Oh, but also like this is another video. I think it's not that. They don't come out that much, but you can see they get close to coming out though. Like sometimes you get really close to coming out. So then I feel like the field is not built like properly. They would come out really easily, but here you see that it doesn't come out that often. But still, even if it has the chance of coming out, I think that's kind of bad already. If it like can even come out like 1 out of 10 times, you can see like it gets really close to coming out every time, pretty much. Right there as well. A field rating. I don't know. The field is Feels a little bit jank, in my opinion. Intake. Let's see. Wham. It's a pretty nice intake. I think you should use, I don't know if you should use really big flexibles. I think you should use like, you should half cut the 3-inch ones and use those.
It's sauce.
Okay, interesting. Super quick update from last time. Added more picks and fixed drivetrain, so it's more standard now. Oh, nice. Another hood. We literally saw like the exact robot this time in our Speed Cad. That's funny. Rest. Yeah, bro. I'm ready to take a break. Actually, no, this is the view. This is the view farm season. Oh, here's what they were talking about with the passive like intake that just grabs it out of the matching stations. Pretty nice, I think. This one they're using a drill to run this. There's a mirrored field where the field elements are small. They're pretty small compared to other seasons. I think they're a bit smaller. This is cool. I like this. D2 CAD, any suggestions? Looks nice. I feel like a change-up one would actually be really nice, because if you save a lot of space and have enough space at the back for people to like park onto the robot, like what we saw earlier, that was nice. Let me look at their judging channel real quick. Okay, they're determining top 5 right now. Interesting. Okay. All right, well, back to more robot rating. Oh, we can look at auto ratings, Loki. I have never looked at auto ratings. We've never had an auto ratings video. Let's look at auto ratings. I feel kind of bad. Over. Boom, guys. What should I put in for my parlay? Over under 30 points tomorrow. What? Look, right, Mr. Evil Water Games CAD. Which one is that? I don't know, let's look at some of these. Okay. He's waiting for each ring. Interesting. How long will judging take? Over under 2.5 bites. What? This guy knew where I was looking and just posted a thing. That's crazy. Judging will take like 10 more minutes probably. I mean, I think they were pretty much done with picking the top 5 out, so they'll be picking out the top 3.
Start here, so we're gonna start it off with
Top
autonomous here, folks. In 3, 2, 1.
Let's look at this.
Go.
Is it good?
In
What is he
red, we got
doing? Why is he moving?
17814
He's stuck.
Organized Chaos from Western
Oh,
Connecticut,
dang.
and their partners
Straight out of the field.
81X Vexman Dark Phoenix from
59
Chester Springs,
S's?
Pennsylvania.
That's crazy.
In blue, we got 2011 A Apex from Broad.
Wow. I mean, 60 S tiers. 61. Alright, bro. Chat's going crazy. Alright. Slow down 6+1 touch for quals.
Alright, practice match 16 begins in
What team is this?
3.
Oh, this is 31R or 3134R.
Autonomous.
Oh, nice. That's tough. That's 6+1, yep. That's tough. Public Skittles executions. Who is Skittles? Actually, solo Iterative. So this is pretty nice. And the very nice colors here as well. Well, that's what 5+1+2. Pretty crazy. Oh, you have to go kind of slow from here. Just kind of unfortunate. Oh, the judge, I think the judge just pinged me. Let me see. Let me see what we're looking at. Okay, we have the top 5. They're deciding the top 3 right now. We are almost done then. They have the top 5, which are 25, 5, 2, 16, and 20. And 12 is an honorable mention. Here's what the top 5 looks like and an honorable mention, but there's still 16. 16 is what? Oh, they said sorry, 16. Okay. Back to hopefully they didn't like put in the wrong one. The vaccine of Skittles. You know what CAD software to use? I use Inventor. I know that's Inventor. Top
And
right.
on our Red Alliance, robots are
It's all just world's autos. Let's look at VCAD. I'm interested to see what you guys think about this. For the people who weren't here earlier, this is the new tongue mech. And it's a little insane. Are there any like pushback leaks other than the ones we've seen? I don't think there's any. I think we're out. I think that's literally everything that's been done. But yeah. But that's tough. Let me see if they have decided. Let's look. Okay. Bro's cooked. He's running out of pushback content. No, we have so much more pushback content from this stream. They're picking out who is going to be like number 1 currently. Maybe I can go back to some of their chats. Let's see.
Hello.
Hello. What's going on?
Not much. You? Teammate had to go to sleep.
Oh yeah, I was just going through auto ratings and robot ratings while the other judges made their decisions.
Pretty good.
Yeah, I like this a lot. Unfortunately, I don't think you made top 5 though. Did not think.
I honestly, I thought I would go like dead last. So
I don't think it's competitively viable, but I think it's cool.
The whole point of this was just a troll.
Yeah.
So I had no intentions of winning.
Let me look at what they're saying again. Hopefully they're done now. But there's so many channels, I'm getting lost. Okay, they'll tell me when it's final. Okay, cool. What's going on over here? Let me see. What's going on?
Hey, Luke. They're proofreading my essay.
Okay. Let chat read the essay.
Wait, can you proofread my essay?
Let chat read the essay.
Cat, can we proofread the essay?
Wait, let's start from the top here. I haven't done the intro.
Okay. E-block American literature.
Oh, wait, yeah, okay.
Yo. You have a title. Title.
What do you want me to do about it? Wait, is this on stream?
This is on stream.
Yeah. Oh, fuck.
Let's go to Team 15. What are they doing? What are we doing? Oh, wow.
We're doing good.
We're doing good.
We haven't crashed.
Oh, he hasn't crashed yet. Okay. Almost. Crash.
Okay.
Look at Team
How you
6.
doing?
I'm doing pretty good. I'm just tired. I'm ready to get done with this. They're currently finishing up judging right now to determine who's gonna win in the other places. Right
Sounds
now.
good.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. What is the this Speed Cad price? We have not decided yet. Honestly, we haven't decided the price yet. Maybe like, I don't know. This is so early. I don't even think we have one. Not my worst start on a CAD ever, but not great either. I think it's nice. I think it's pretty cool. And very looks like a. It just looks like the, like, hero bot. I'm not gonna lie. When did we start streaming? Dang, I am exhausted. I didn't even finish my dinner before starting the stream. This is cool though. I think they make top 5. I'm pretty sure. Oh, sorry. Let's see. See, are they done? They're done. Okay, they're done. Hello.
What's up?
It is done.
It is done.
Okay, tell me the list.
We are done.
So we've decided that 25 is first place.
25 is first place.
First place, followed by Team 2, Team 23,
okay,
Team 16,
okay,
and then Team 20. Those are the top 5.
Oh wow!
And then we have an honorable mention, which is 12 because it's a big magazine. We thought it was funny.
Yeah, I'm surprised Boots did not win. How many points did you give Boots? Just.
Well, I mean, I still want Boots to win.
Well, you still want Boots to win. I don't know. I might be a slight hater, but there might be. I think 25 would perform better in actual competition.
I can
Boots
see that
can't
happening.
do match loads.
I can see that
So
happening.
it's honestly it could go either way between both of them. At this point, it's just more of theory and what we think. But
yeah, here. By the way, chat. Here's 25 again. This is the one that I said I can see them having a park at the back where their alliance partner can drive on and park onto this robot, and they have a very quick scoring change-up type intake. Can we see
Kevin
10?
Loki said the cycle times on 25, or is it 25?
This is 10.
Yeah,
10 was very similar, I think, but like I don't know how.
10.
I think it's because like the cleanness.
The 10 bot just does it's like a snail, which is cool, but I don't really know what they're kind of doing with the back. Like it's kind of like a magazine.
Yeah.
I thought about it. It's an interesting concept, but I think it needs to be further developed.
I don't think it can't hold that many. That's the thing. Like I think you need to hold more than just like 6 or 4 in the back.
Yeah, and at that point you might as well try and fit a park or something else. I don't know. But like again, it's like early season, so like you don't really know what's the best yet.
Wow, Chad is saying that is a crazy upset for Team 2.
Crazy upset.
Crazy upset for Team 2. Or of Team 2.
Personally, I don't know. It was like pretty split between 25 and 2. So like low-key they could be. We just said 25 was first because.
Yeah.
But it could be either way, to be honest.
Yeah, because it's all theoretical.
Who's on Team 25 again?
Yeah.
I need to...
Connor and Carter. Yeah. Check the judge channel. I put their ads in there for you.
Connor and who?
Carter.
Carter, okay. And then 2 was just Boots. Team 2, second. Boots. Okay, I think did he come in second last time too? I don't remember. And then what was the third place? 23. Team 23.
23, Hayden and Justin.
Who?
Hayden and Justin.
Okay. Justin from 675, see?
6'5".
Six.
Yeah, that one.
Okay. All right, that's it. And then
do like top 5 all get mentions or
like this. Okay. All right, we're done. All right, guys. Team 10 Justice, Team 23 robbed.
Wait.
That is how.
I think Team 20 wants you to rate them.
Team 20. Okay, we will do that before we get off.
Them again.
We'll do that before we get off. I am exhausted. Team 20. This is the the ABG bot. Let's go.
We love the creativity on the side.
I think. I mean, okay. It's nice that they did a winch partner hang like this, right? But I do think that that's just not viable. I don't think like this. The metal's gonna bend. They built out of 1x1s, and then like you can't be sure that your lines partner is gonna fit onto that. The same way you can't make sure that your lines partner is gonna fit onto like your robot is gonna park. But I think it's more likely like your alliance partner can just drive onto your robot, then like you grab onto it and then lift them up. Rate 17. Okay, that is going to be the last one that we do. 17. It's nice. I think it's really simple. I think. Oh, it has 2 intakes as well. That's cool. I like the 2 intakes with these. But I feel like how are you gonna be able to grab the. Oh, he lifts this up to grab. Okay, that's cool. Yeah. This is honestly not a bad design, but I think it's going to be harder for a driver to drive this since it's front to back. We learn in spin up. A front to front one is so much easier to drive. I think everyone understands that. But I like the flexible on the bottom. I can't even speak at this point. We're 3 hours in. But yeah. All right. Well, that's about it, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you, judges. You guys are coming clutch. Thank you, Kevin, Eudora, Charles, Cadence. Who else judged?
Keep that said.
Yeah, thank you, Angie, for helping me as well. Okay. Good work, guys.
Amazing.
Amazing work, guys.
Fire.
Woohoo.
Huge.
All right.